Tradeify Nation, welcome back to another London session stream. It's Tuesday, August 11th. Happy Trading Tuesday, everyone. I hope everyone's crushed it. I hope if you have traded the Asia session or if you haven't, I hope you're focused and locked in, ready to go. But I hope to those of you who were trading or traded New York yesterday for me, last night for me, but earlier this morning for some of you, I hope you guys crushed it in New York as well. Can't wait to hear about how you guys traded that. And here we are with another pre-London session. Frankfurt Open has officially opened. I'm a little bit late this morning. Yes, we had a few little tech issues. I don't know what's going on with my internet. Starlink, ever since they crashed that rocket in space, my internet has not been the same. So bear with me this week. I'm meant to be getting fiber connected, so it should be all good by the end of the week. But for the next couple of days, just bear with me, chat. But yeah, quickly, let me just say good morning and then we'll get straight into the charts because I'm a little late. Good morning, Sebastian. Good morning, Why Not Kobe. Good morning, Henny. Good morning, Shrew. Daggy. Good morning, Ronaldo. Good morning, The African. God bless you. Leah. Good morning. Alex Johnson. Good morning. Kabira. Jasmine. Dylan. Henny. No, Henny, I already said good morning. Jason. G for Gio. Joe Mama. Miss Kitty. Cat Young, Manton. All right. Leah, good morning. Yes, let's get straight into the charts and break this down, shall we? Because we're already having some moves. I'm just noticing right now, by the way, that there is an S&T divergence between the previous 4-hour low here on ES. You can see ES did sweep that low and NQ didn't. So keeping that in mind, if anyone is in longs, yeah, that would have been nice. Also, the sells. I was not here to catch the sells off Asia high this morning. That was from me. That's 12:33 AM Eastern time. Those sells would have lined up after the sleep of Asia high, previous 4-hour high, all that alignment. That was the perfect short opportunity, but I was not on the charts. Way too early for me. All right, but breaking down where we are on the daily so far. Yesterday, what we had, let me go full screen for NQ. All right, yesterday what we had was a day we failed yet again to go into these highs here, the 30,094 area of price. I was talking about yet again, we're failing to get up there. Potentially though, today is the day we break this level. Like there are too many smooth highs up here. And that makes it all the more reason why I want to long into that area of price. Yesterday I was talking about watching the 4-hour and this price leg here that we had. And at the time when we came into the session yesterday, there was all bullish candles, one after the other in the 4-hour, and everyone was like, Celine, what are you doing shorting in such a bullish market structure? Well, this is exactly the reason why. And let me explain. I'll explain it again. You can go back and watch yesterday's stream in the morning when I break down the charts. But what I said was draw a fib from this low to this high when there are no fair value gaps to draw back into for retracement. And when it's just continuous bullish, or if we're the opposing direction, if it's like continuous bearish candles, where are you going to look for those areas of price to retrace into? And for me, this is when you'll see me use the fib. And if you draw the fib from that low to the high, you can use the midpoint as the perfect area where price will generally retrace into. If bullish price action and market structure is to hold, you'd want to see the midpoint, which is this 0.5 level, the 50% level of this low to this high, remain held. Respected, held, used as support, whatever you want to call that. But you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks. This is a 4-hour candle now left behind here. So that's a clean indication now for me that bullish price action should remain, and we should keep on heading at least to go out and take out previous day high, and then just a little higher than that now is that 30,000 level that I'm watching. So that was something I broke down yesterday for you guys, why I was short. Why, against all odds, you were able to catch over 100, 200 points shorting that market yesterday from the London session. And if you held all the way through New York, yes, you would have been thanking me. So that goes to show for anyone who was in here yesterday, like, Celine, why were you shorting? That is exactly the price action and why I'm short in a market that looks extremely bullish. It's just telling you, whenever I see a market like this, it's telling me, okay, we're due for a reversal. We're due to pull back into this range because we can't just keep shooting up higher and higher and higher like this. But yes, that was Oh, chat, am I lagging out a bit? Let me know if this is a bit too much lag. If you can hear me all good, just follow my charts and hopefully the video smooths out a bit. Just let me know. So yeah, that was the price action yesterday, and what we're looking at today right now is that we have a hourly bullish gap that we've retraced into from the Asia session left behind. We have 2 hourly gaps here. We've retraced into the most recent one, and we have an hourly gap just below here as well that is unmitigated. So we haven't actually traded into this gap yet. So that's something I'm watching for the session today. Can we trade lower first to drop back into this hourly gap and then trade higher from there? Or is this little 1 hour bearish candle going to be the only pullback we get? I tend to beg to differ. I think we can get lower first. But seeing as though we have already had that SMT divergence, you can see there that ES has taken out its previous 4-hour low and NQ hasn't, that NQ could just go higher from here. So I'm not committed to waiting for that hourly gap tap because of the SMT. I'm probably, if there is a strong enough bullish reaction on the 1 minute on NQ, I will probably just take that and long into previous 4-hour high and above previous day high. But we'll see. Not going to force anything. We're 13 minutes into the Frankfurt Open. We have a whole session ahead of us. So there's no reason to rush into anything now. Yes, looking, there was a sell optioning great off Asia high. That would have been an awesome short to take. And also some really clean shorts on gold. If anyone took gold shorts just after the Asia kill zone, sort of out of the hours for me, but if you took it from like this mid-range of Asia into Asia low even, like it's just dumping. So well done to anyone who took gold shorts. It was a very clean opportunity there and it's paying. All right, so that's what I'm looking at. We've got the hourly gap just here below, that's that gray box. And we also have the 4-hour low on NQ, which hasn't been tagged yet, but ES has. So I'm a little bit like, don't want to be longing that. Is it too soon? We'll see. Gonna let price do its thing first. All right, how is everyone doing? Who traded? Who hasn't traded? Let's have a read. Jasmine, please share your indicator. There is Jasmine. I can see you spamming. You don't have to ask it again. You're literally spamming when I'm talking at the chats. I'm not even reading the chat yet, so please don't do that. I will get to all your, as soon as I finish my morning breakdown, I will always get to the chat and answer your questions. So do not spam. But yes, there is a link to that indicator in all my social media. All right. And now I'm putting you in timeout. For real. She literally just asked it again. Okay. Mark Megamara just came by to say hi. I already got a banger gold short. Oh, I knew it. I knew, Mark Megamara, you would be banking on that. Very nice. Very clean price action on gold. Perfect. Selena, won an account on 25K Lightning on 3rd of August and I haven't received it yet. Okay, 3rd of August. Was that a week ago? Yes, it was. Okay. I will screenshot that username and follow that up. Make sure though that your email address is in your YouTube channel description. Let me check. Let me check if you've done that because this seems to be the problem. Okay, I can see an email address in there. Just make sure that's the one linked to your Tradeify account. And I'm going to send this to Ranan right now for you to follow that up. Okay, done. All right, back to the chat. I don't think that lower hourly FEG is going to be Tapsoline. Bashy Trades, you could be right. You could absolutely be right. I don't know though. I don't know which way. That's why I'm waiting. Just gonna be patient. Burning candles, day trading. Can someone tell me how to enter the giveaways? You'll find out. It's a giveaway form. That's all you have to do. Hey, Celine, your webcam is lagging. Is it still lagging? we're really trying to work it out. Ever since Starlink had a crash in space, my Starlink has never been the same, and I had no issues before this. And when I run a speed test on my mobile, checking the Starlink network to see how all things are, it's a strong signal. So I don't know, chat. I don't know what the issue is. It's very confusing. But hopefully by the end of this week, it should all be fixed. Oh no, I know everyone's like, don't run the speed test. No, I won't. Who else have we got? Morning Abdos. Celine, do you only trade the latest 4-hour candle sweep, or can it also be older 4-hour candles? I only trade the most previous means most recent 4-hour candle. Nothing older than that. Sorry, Celine, what is the indicator? What is the settings for the sessions indicator? Somehow it's different from mine. Yes, it might be because I do my own thing in this. This is all I have shown. I have I have it in light mode. I have the Asia printing just from 8 to midnight, the Asia session kill zone. And then I've got the Asia high low ticked on. I have my previous day high and low ticked on. And I have the only current level I want to look at is where is current days open. So I have that ticked on. That's it. Hopefully that helps. J.R. Brown. He says $848 in an eval, although I'm like $30 from blowing a funded. That sucks. I mean, it's great. You almost have an eval passed, but then you have one funded out the door. I mean, that's kind of how it goes in prop firm trading. It's like just this cycle. Jeremiah says no bottom wick on the midnight hourly candle. Interesting. Not something I look at, but it's an interesting piece of information there. So you technically think it could go lower. Mark Mara is doing all the work in the chat this morning. Thank you. He's sent someone to their corner. I didn't even read what the message was. Oh my gosh. Chat, you don't need to be spamming. I will, when I see your message, I will get to you. And just for the record, this guy just kept spamming, Euro USD long, Euro USD long, Euro USD long. Like, we're not even trading Euro USD. This is a futures stream. Go to some Forex stream for that. Do your spamming over there. Arastara man, how's the spider bite? Thank you for asking. Yes, he remembered. The spider bite went down. Thank goodness. The spider bite's gone down, and you can barely see it now. But yesterday, when I got off stream, because like I think pressing on the back of my like chair here, it just got worse, and it was like looking really extra red. But then it ended up calming itself down, and I'm all good. I'm alive, and I'm not Spider-Man. It's all good. All right. Well, we're seeing a drop back into hopefully take out previous 4-hour low here on NQ, and then I'd be more inclined to take longs today. So there you go. Who was it? Bashi Trades was like, Celine, we're not going to go and take out previous 4-hour low on NQ. And here we are, chopping right into it. When you think you know something about NQ, don't worry. NQ will show you otherwise. Did someone say Joe Mama? Yes, Bogdan. Babinia Stanley, good morning, Celine. Can they repeat the top-down analysis you've done so far? Thank you. Wow, this guy was coming in late and he wants me to repeat everything. Should I give him that, chat? What do we think? Does he deserve it after coming late? No, it's okay. I actually can't talk because I was late this morning. But basically, what we're looking at, I did go over how the 4-hour has had this nice retracement now. Like after yesterday's London session and New York session, we continued this drop lower. I had pinned this low to high yesterday to show where we could potentially retrace into, and we did. 29,718 was that midpoint. We did trade a little lower, but we wicked and closed bullish inside this leg now. So that tells me that we should see higher prices. I'm using the 4-hour and this retracement now that there's a swing low put in to say that we should be going higher. Bullish price action has just confirmed that is a higher low. And with that, I'm using, there is an hourly FVG potentially we could be retracing into. before going higher, but we've officially taken out that previous 4-hour low level. So I'm now looking for the London session to go higher. And that's pretty much it. Potentially we're going to retrace into this hourly gap. I'm watching that, and I will be taking a bullish reaction either inside this hourly gap, or if we don't get down there at any given point now, if we get that 1 minute bullish reaction. Hey Celine, good morning. Last week you said I will receive my account that I won 27th of July. I notified you last Monday also, and still not received a 100k Lightning account. 27th of July, that is so long ago. This is getting ridiculous. Chad, I'm so sorry that this is still not in your accounts. Make sure you have your email address. That was the feedback I had, that some of you, when I'd sent a big list last week, some of you didn't have your email address in there, and so therefore we couldn't give you that account. So I'm going to tag Brannon again in this one, and I will chase them all up by the end of the day for you guys. Who else? Suda says, good possibility it will tap into unfilled hourly gap, which is also works out to be discount of the range. Good opportunity long if an entry presents. Thoughts? Yeah, I mean, I don't need it to go into the hourly gap per se. For me, trading below this 4-hour low here and having already swept out previous day low is enough for me. But hey, yes, obviously lower, it just means a better price. So if it does keep dropping here into the hourly gap and we get below daily open, great, even cleaner entry for me. But it wouldn't, that's not to say that I would miss an entry if it was forming now. I would absolutely still take that 1 minute bullish inversion as well. Zero skills. It says, hi Celine. Okay, I'll speak up again too. 2 weeks since I won from Lord Spud. Yes, my email has been up. No dice. This sucks, you guys. I'm so sorry. 2 weeks. We're sitting here saying 7 business days. All right, sending this one too. Follow this one. This is all with urgency, chat. We are really getting to the bottom of these because, I mean, the point is we want you guys to have these accounts ASAP, and then you guys can get trading on them. But it is a manual process. This is the problem. We need to innovate and have some sort of automated system here for these giveaway accounts. We'll work on it. From which country are you trading? Trading from Greece. Yes, Market Maker Maro. Yes, that is true. It has to be the email address you guys use to log into Tradeify. So you're winning a Tradeify account. So in order for us to link your account to that giveaway, you need to have a Tradeify account with us so we can get you on board. So you can trade with us because you're going to get a free Tradeify account. So therefore, you need to at least be signed up to Tradeify. You don't have to purchase an account, but you do need to be signed up to Tradeify. And then you also need to, that email address has to be the one that you give us in your YouTube channel description. Otherwise, if they're not the same, yeah, we can't find you. So that could also be part of the problem. Jesse Jameson, why don't they contact support instead of you, the host on stream? I guess it's probably, I mean, you absolutely can, but I mean, I can go direct to the source this way as well. Prajit, spamming. Guys, this is the last time I'll say it today. I'm not in the mood for the spammers. Ask your question once and I will get to you. Seriously, that guy just asked 10 times. He wants to learn about futures. 10 times. I can't even, you know what happens with spammers? Then I miss other people's questions because they come in and spam the chat, and now I've missed like everyone asks questions from earlier. Oh, there are heaps more of these. Celine, I won 2 25 go growths on the 3rd of August. Also have not received them yet. All right. I'm just going to go. It seems like 3rd of August, there were a few that have been missed. So I'm just going to let Brandon know to check back from that day as well. Are people really getting the giveaway accounts? Yes, people have been. There was guys on here yesterday saying that they took their giveaway account to a payout. I forgot who. But yeah, absolutely. For every like 10, say, there's like one guy. No, that's probably like even more exaggerated. For every like 100 we give away, there's probably like one guy that doesn't receive it for whatever reason. Maybe no email address. The email address that he's given isn't linked to his Tradeify account. Like for whatever reason, there is still some that you're just not getting them. I have no idea why. Celine, how you set up the bias high time frame sweep, intermediate time frame, and okay, that's not something set up on TradingView. That is a part of this indicator. So it's printing my high time frame bias. There's like a bias indicator linked to how I trade. So it's linked to this indicator because it uses the 4-hour to basically determine the bias for the session, and the high time frame sweep is set to the 4-hour time frame. The intermediate time frame for me is set to the 15-minute, and then that inversion is linked to whatever the 1 minute. If there is no 1 minute inversion, that's the cross there that you're seeing. Nice. Prop funding etches, I've received it in 2 days. Hell yeah. So when you do all the right steps, that account is given to you straight away, almost straight away. Brian, yes, you can get access. There is a link in my bios in all my social medias. If we want to use a strategy, Piet says, if we want to use a strategy, do we need to backtest it first? If so, could you please tell us how you backtested it and over how many trades? If you want to backtest, I highly recommend you get familiar with backtesting tools like FX Replay. And for me, even going back, you can, depending on what subscription level you have in TradingView, you can even backtest if you know how to like code your strategy. In PineScript, then you're able to actually go and use bar replay and backtest in TradingView. But do remember that a backtest result is not going to, it's going to be very difficult to replicate. Like, even though your backtest, I've done a video on this talking about this in full on our YouTube channel, by the way, go and watch that. But a backtest result doesn't, like, can't tell you the future of what, it can tell you what technically, if you were trading like a robot, how you could perform, how this strategy could perform. But in actual trading, when it comes to our human nature, our mental, everything, discretion, all those things, that's where you get your real statistics from, your actual live trading. So yes, go and test the strategy, play around with it, etc. Highly recommend. But when it comes to actually getting stats in trading, I believe we need to be using our actual live data and forward testing strategies. Because backtesting can only give you so much. We're not robots. Celine, are you in a trade? Chuan Ling, I am not in a trade yet. We're getting very close to, we're hovering around daily open now. So as you can tell, the daily candle now looks like this. A wick to the upside, a wick to the downside. We have already swept out previous day low, and we have tapped into this bullish daily gap. So for me, I'm looking for bulls today. I want the bulls to come out. Yesterday, yes, I did short back into the I shorted back into the range, and now we have had that retracement. There is a swing low put in, and now I'm looking to continue this higher. Scalp Iceland, I wanted 25k count end of July on the New York stream. Scalp sending this one as well, and make sure you guys don't embarrass me if you're telling me that you don't have the account yet, but you haven't got your email address in there, like, we can't actually get that account to you. All right, I've sent that one through as well. Scalp, there's already like 6 I've sent through. If you have a backtest strategy that works, I wouldn't even look at the charts. What does that even mean? What do you mean you wouldn't look at the charts? All right, we're just trading into the hourly unmitigated FVG right now. So the hourly looks like this. We've retraced lower. And the hourly candle, I'll admit, the hourly is looking very bearish right now. Nice top wick there, and looking like in the next, we got 30 minutes still, but it is reaching lower. Interesting to see if this hourly gap holds. I would like to see that to go higher. But damn, who caught the shorts off Asia high today? That was the perfect sweep reaction. I'll go back, see what that setup would have looked like at the time. But pretty much we had previous 4-hour high taken, that's that level there. Previous 4-hour high sweep aligned with an Asia high sweep, previous 15-minute high sweep, and then a strong displaced inversion. And that's a clean reaction to all those key levels being swept out. Short would have been taken right at market after the inversion, top just above the highs, maybe like a 17-point stop, which is like not a lot of risk these days. And then shorting, like taking partials off maybe at the equal lows here, shorting into daily opens, like a nice 80 points. Nice trade, you guys, whoever took that. Oh, we're dumping. This short is just continuing here. I'm going to sit on the hourly. I want to see how this closes. That's going to tell me a lot. Trace Johnson says, good morning. I got in on the retrace. Let's go. I know some of you, G for Geo, caught part of it, caught it, Truju in at 8.59. Nice. Oh, hell yeah. 8.59 was a banger entry. What do you mean? 8.59 was like the high here. Shorts at the high, took shorts from Asia high. Great. I'm glad you guys were all awake and able to trade that. I, on the other hand, was asleep. Boxing says, let it dump, Celine. This NQ is super overpriced for no reason whatsoever. I mean, I'm just letting it do its thing. I'm watching here. I mean, I'm annoyed. The cleanest reaction I could have been in, I was asleep in. So I don't have another clean setup to take. Like, I'm waiting for the hourly to show me a bit of bullish intention here. But if we're going to continue to crash through this FVG and invert it, I'm not interested. I'll tell you that. I will not be interested in longing this until then. I would say if this inverts, this hourly gap inverts, then I'd be waiting for Asia low to be taken and then a reversal from there. But we'll see. Trades by Fine Celine, you missed something. 4-hour and 15-minute high SMT IFVG inverted. You missed it, Celine. You taught me teach. What? You taught me teach? I think you're teaching me. Yes, I did come onto the stream this morning and say there was a bullish reaction off the SMT divergence between ES and NQ, but there was no setup for me in that. Marcel, please show session indicator settings. My time is off, so levels are incorrect. Thank you. Here you go. This is what I have. Oh, all my sessions. 8 p.m. midnight, 8 p.m. Eastern to midnight Eastern time is my Asia kill zone. And that's it. Clipmaster waiting for a pullback to short this one. Okay. I can see that. I can definitely see that. I mean, like, we've taken out one extreme end of the range. We have sold off from the highs here of the Asia session. So it would make sense to go all the way and take out the opposing sell side liquidity and go all the way into Asia low. But we'll see. Next Color TV, gold looks amazing. Does it now? Another short I was unable to take a part of because I was freaking sleeping. Someone needs to tell me to wake up an hour earlier or something. All right, this was clean sells down into previous 4-hour low here. We've now taken out previous 4-hour low. We're still in this bullish 4-hour gap on gold. Maybe if this is to hold, we'll see. But could also just keep dumping. We have two relatively equal lows here, previous day low on gold. So technically we could drop all the way down into that price first before heading higher. But after this kind of drop, probably want to see a retracement from here. I'm probably going to get a setup to go long actually soon based on that. Do I want to take it? Probably not. I don't always trust gold on days like that. I'm more inclined to wait for NQ here if it wants to give me the opportunity to long. I'm here, just waiting, NQ. Market Maker sleep? What's that? I seriously don't know how you do it. Are you trading all sessions, Market Maker? Like, how do you do that? Erton, yes, did you make good profit? You short at the top or you closed early? Yes, you guys, I will take you over the trade yesterday. If I can wait for this closure here. I just don't want to miss the inversion. That's all. Give it a couple minutes and then I will take you over the trades from yesterday. Absolutely. So how long did it take you to get your first funded account and then first payout? Okay, first funded account, let me think. I think it was quicker. I was quicker to get the first funded account and then it took me ages from there to get the payout. So I think it was like 2 months and then I passed the funded by sheer luck, clearly, because I could not replicate those results. I sat on that funded account for so long. I think I ended up blowing that original one and the one I finally got a payout on was a new one. And I didn't get that payout till... See, I don't have like calculations from when I got the funded to payout, but like I started trading and then 16 months later, I got that first payout. But like from which account and how long was I sitting on it? I would say probably I was sitting on that funded account for probably like 3 months before I saw the payout. But 16 months from when I first started in prop until I saw that first payout. Buy back to VWAP. Maybe. VWAP traders, where are we looking? Okay, I see VWAP is just above. All right, this is looking like a potential to long from here. I don't hate it. Stops are a little wide. All right, I'm in this long. I will just have my stops below. Basically, I mean, it shows different on MNQ. Hold on, let me just get these orders in. The 1-to-1, I'll take the 43 points, 29,819. 29,819 will be the first TP. Okay. And then I will go up into above that previous 4-hour high. All right. The trade. Why I'm taking this trade. Okay, I'm dropping back into NQ just to see. But pretty much I was waiting to see the hourly gap retracement. As you can see, we did drop into the hourly gap. We have had a nice clean reaction to that gap. So we're not inverting as it did look like 20 minutes ago. We did look like we're inverting. Right now we have a nice buying wick there, but it is live. So we are currently in the hourly candle. So I'm not sure how this candle is going to close. That will tell me even more if we do end up closing with this wick. Perfect. So I'm in this a little preemptive, like I'm a little early in the longs here, but that's fine because I've got everything else ticked off. So I have the bullish bias right now because we're below previous 4-hour low. I've had the previous 15-minute low sweep, as you can see there. That's that reaction there. I will zoom in. There you go. There's a previous 15-minute low sweep, and then I am also shorting I'm longing, sorry, from a discount of the range. So I'm liking this also because we had the strong bullish reaction on the 1 minute. That was the reason for my execution there, the inversion. But I accept the risk. That's all. Whatever, this trade can still go the opposite way, come crashing down, and we can continue dropping lower for Asia low. But I'm taking the risk here on this setup. We'll see. I'll drop back into MNQ now so you can watch that. All right. How many likes for the giveaway? Okay, yes, true. Good point. We need, let me see. I usually have to base it on how many people are here, and I'm going to say, ooh, there's welcome. 1,300 of you here. 363 likes we're currently sitting at. Let's just say 585. 585 likes will do the first giveaway. Roman, let's put it in the chat so I remember. Omar, happy sweep trader, says Celine. I think the 15-minute will invert and took liquidity. The 15-minute will invert? What are we talking about? Oh, wait, no, I'm not sure what you mean. But yeah, it is having a nice, that 15-minute candle that we just bought in is going to hopefully form a nice swing low here. And hopefully we can head higher. Hitesh says yes, but shouldn't it come back in FEG? Come back in which FEG? Guys, I am happy to answer your questions, but you do need to be a little bit more clearer than that. Sometimes these questions, I swear, they're way too vague, and I'm not sure, like, what FEG? Like, please tell me exactly what you're looking at. Celine, how can I get access to the Celine trading model on TradingView? There is a link to the indicator in all my social media bios, guys. Is one at the bottom right on end also indicator with sweep? Is the one at the bottom right on your end also an indicator with the sweep? Yes, yeah. This bias is also linked to my indicator. The bottom right hand corner thingy that you see there, tracking all these areas for me, it's linked to this. So it's all one indicator. All right. Come on, MNQ. Constantine's like, that FEG, duh. I know, like, some people just want me to, like, read their minds here. Will Waring says, morning, Celine, let's get it. Let's get it, chat. Tuesday, we're on a green streak right now. Come on, NQ. Be nice. Play nice. Car Gamble, the FEG to the left. What FEG? Guys, give me time frame. There's FEGs everywhere. Did you profit from yesterday's trade? Yes. We're not on a downtrend. Do not care about that. Instead, just trade the session for what it is. Yes. Down the rabbit hole. Yes, that's exactly what I do. A lot of you, all right, give yesterday's session, for example. I came to the session. We were extremely bullish. If you only took into consideration what the high time frame was doing, you would say yes. You would expect higher time frame. You would expect the day to close bullish. You would expect the day to continue going higher. But for the session, I was only considering the 4 hour, and I was considering the 15-minute and the session prior. I was looking at the Asia session. I did not care where we ended up at the end of the day. I just knew that we were very high. We were very much in a premium. We had taken out so many key levels. And that was a reason why I entered the shorts, because I expected a pullback retracement into that, like, however many points that price leg was, probably like 1,000-point price leg. We needed to retrace. We were very high in consideration to all those levels. So yeah, that's why I can be bearish sometimes in the session, but bullish for the day, if that makes sense. Sometimes I'm just trying to catch that bearish retracement in the London session, but overall, I'm looking for the full move to play out by the end of the day, bullish. And that's happened many times. I feel much better taking longs when it all aligns with my high time frame, when it's all in one, but absolutely I can still sit here and take shorts and win when high time frame is bullish, and yesterday was that. What's your strategy to trade MNQ, ma'am? The exact same strategy I use on NQ. It's the same. I'm just executing on MNQ because this is funded account, so I'm taking smaller size. This is micros. But there is a video up on our Tradeify TV YouTube channel. You you guys ever wanted to go and see it more in depth, I go over a couple of my trade examples. Down the rabbit hole, I see. Thanks, Link, for the detailed explaining. No problem. Anytime. Where is Nick's lane? Nick will be here very soon, Bashi. You guys know the drill. You got me for the first hour, and then Nick will join us in 15 minutes. Very soon. This market can go up or down. Yep. It's pretty much what we have to decide. Which side of the market do you want to be on? Try, and then it's just about timing it. Full-time, Christian Alonso. This is full-time. Torvik says, please choose me for the giveaway. Well, clearly you're new here, Torvik. I don't have any choice in the matter. And on Friday, I actually gave away 2 max allocations, which means 550k accounts to 2 winners on Friday. Not by choice, but by the fate of the wheel. So, I mean, if I had a choice in the matter, I would have only given away 1, because then my job was on the line. I gave away 10 accounts on Friday. Yes, CPI tomorrow. We should talk about news, actually. What news we have today. Let's take a look. Nothing. Actually, no red folder news for US today, but we have CPI tomorrow, PPI Thursday, and then that's it. So CPI, PPI. And maybe a Trump tweet or something in between. Market Maker Mara says, keep repeating stupid edit question, and has 2 timeouts now. He can be timed out for 30 minutes. Great work. Market Maker Mara for president. He's holding down the fort in the chat here. Thank you, because I miss a lot of those guys who spam here. I'm too slow. Can we trade CPI with Tradeify? What? Never. Who would trade CPI? Why was your job on the line? This is just luck. I'm joking, obviously, pub freakers. Of course, I gave away Jonathan spamming now. I gave away accounts. Obviously, that's nothing to fire me for. It's a joke. Celine, how do you select your TP on this strategy? Basically, this first TP is always at 1-to-1, and then above that, it's usually like the structured high, so just above previous viral highs where I'm aiming for there. Also, I have this from yesterday. So we can close that. Oh, that's good, actually, because then I can indicate where I shorted from yesterday and show you guys what ends up happening with that trade. Priyats has got in on the 618 fib after the sweep of the daily low. Nice, nice. Lil of Principe. I don't know why, but I feel so confident in the session with you. I always win. Ha, God bless you. Well, I appreciate you. I mean, I love that. I love that you feel confident. I hope that the confidence doesn't sort of kill your focus, though, because sometimes being too confident in trading is a very bad thing. You should never be too confident about anything. Nothing is guaranteed. But great to have a mindset where you approach the charts and you're not hesitating. I'm all for that. I'm all for it, but there is a balance. By the way, we're dropping into daily open here on NQ. We'll see if the longs can hold. The hourly gap currently holding. We got just under 9 minutes to go until this hourly candle will close, and hopefully we're closing. When I talk about the hourly gap, let me just draw it up here. I'm talking about, one moment. I'm talking about this gap here. So this is the hourly FVG I'm talking about, and this is what I want to see held rejected from, with the leave a nice wick inside there for us to go higher. Rayford, can you please tell me how to enter the giveaway? I will tell you when it's time for the giveaway. Nick and I will explain the rules. You guys, don't worry. Link to fun, you're banned. Where are all these spammers coming from? We don't want you here. Thank you, Makamara. We don't want you here. Oh, Mountain says you got very close to your stop loss on the short yesterday. A little bit of luck on a good trade. All right, let me take you through that trade yesterday. That was crazy. If anyone is in my Discord, I wrote a post and I was like, I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Because I was literally so close. This was the trade. Look how close to that one. This was on the 1 minute. Oh, it was terrible. It messes me so badly. So I walked away from the charts, was doing other things, and then I'd come back and I was like, at some point just after the stream, I was almost stopped out of that. The stop was just a little higher than that high there. And then we continued. Then I went away, did stuff, and then I'd come back and the charts finally looked better. We continued to drop. And then I think eventually my full TP wasn't daily open. My full TP was this 4-hour low. We finally got there. Took its damn time. Oh, and entry was off this candle, sorry. Entry was off at market here. And then, yeah, a bit of pullback, and then we finally took out that previous 4-hour low level. And that was my full target, but we did end up dumping. And for anyone else that held a runner, I think we ended up taking all the way out to Asia low, I believe. Did we? Before New York open? No? Was it just daily open? I thought we crashed into Asia low, but maybe no. Oh. Yeah, there we go. So then Asia low was taken. So if anyone had held from, again, one extreme to the other, Asia high had been taken. We were very high on the day. This is where everyone was like, Celine, why are you selling? Why are you selling? And I was like, well, this is why. Look how we crashed 160 points on a bullish day. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show those people yesterday that were saying, you should never short that. Well, I am. All right, well, market is clearly going to be end up. Please don't close this hourly in the gap. All right, we might be cooked on this first trade here. I want this hourly gap to hold price up. But if we're going to end up inverting this, like I said, I could be in this a little too early. But we'll see. I'm still alive for now. What else? Sayed, don't worry, no strategy is 100% win rate. Your psychology is good. Win-loss is part of the game, 100%. There is nothing you control about. The only thing you control is your risk management and your discipline, this thing right here, your mind. But in terms of markets, you can't be the one behind the markets moving it up or down. You just have to go with it. So you can pick a point in price where you think with your strategy, in your analysis, it should do something, and it can completely show you the other side, and that's where you take a loss, and that's fine. In fact, it'll give us more information here. If this ends up inverting, I'll be very much waiting then for a sweep of Asia low next then. So all it's going to do is, yes, it stings. It's a red day. It doesn't have to finish a red day, but it'll be a red start to the day. And then I'll just be climbing my way out of that. It's the first trade. It's 1L. If it ends up being an L, it's 1L. Celine, is this trade based on SMT? No, it's not. Of course you cooked, you trade FVG. All right. I didn't just bank 160 points yesterday in a bullish market structure, but all right. I was looking for buys, but took a market sell off of mood right now. They can be bullish after threesome. I do not understand some of these comments in there. For real. GVG, job's not done, Celine. You get the rest of the sesh. You got this comeback. We'll see. The trade idea still remains. I really don't want to see this hourly gap hold. I don't want to see this hourly gap inverted. That's why I'm sitting here watching the hourly time frame. Nick would be long from here onwards. We'll see. We're going to be joined by Nick in a couple minutes, actually. I have to be ready for that. Hold on. Let me get my Nicholas Nicholas Wickler's intro. Here we go. All right, got it. But chat, let me know if anyone should wait till open. I mean, yeah, at this point, there's 3 minutes to London Open. If you're not in trade, this would not be a good time to be entering because we're about to have the open. So remember, there will probably be some manipulation. Looking like we're going to manipulate lower, potentially. But that's okay. I need to have my stop loss in place because I need to control the losses. Can't be taking too big of a loss here. So do you trade New York session? Yes, I do. Traded a gold setup yesterday. Christian got destroyed on longs, so try again soon. Gonna go short, might sweep previous day low, Asia low. Yeah, 100%. This could be going lower. This could be definitely going lower into Asia low. Like I said, I accepted the risk when I entered the trade. I openly said I'm in this a little earlier because I wasn't waiting for the hourly close. So if this hourly closes inverting this gap, then yeah, it kind of goes against all the analysis there. But I'm still, based on everything else, still happy to be taking that long and putting the risk and trying that trade. This says 19 participants for the step challenge so far. Yeah, that's right. Actually, I completely forgot about checking that. 19. So there's 19 people now in our step challenge. Is Nick a part of it yet, Leia? We still got to get Nick on board because that guy made me be a part of that one. So he better join that. Tovik, Celine, do you have a target for each day or level you are happy with? A target is in like a profit target. I'm happy with like $400 to anywhere between like $400 to $500 on the day on my accounts. Perfect. When I have a number like that locked in, I don't really want to keep trading those accounts because if I can stack that up in no time, you can get to payout. So it's more like smaller hits, like racking up smaller. I mean, if that's smaller to some of you, because maybe you guys go for like big 1,000+ days, like great. But yeah, 400 might not sound like a lot, but for me, that's like enough for my daily targets. But I don't have a strict target, but I know roughly where I should be sitting at on the day. Nick. Good morning, Nick, with his troll comment of the day. Celine, is that hot chocolate or a cup of Baileys? It's coffee. I just like a really milky coffee. That's all. All right, here is London Open, which means we should be joined by the Nicola very soon. But hopefully we don't manipulate lower. Please don't manipulate me out of this. Please, thank you. All right, it's time. Here he is. Let me introduce you to the YT wearing and ever moving GP trading buyer hacking into catching stick with ketchup abusing, some trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, five guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, Samara sushi loving, switch paddle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, dictated DMC strategy, inventing Mario Kart, thrice simulated, 91 no stop loss win rate, once baited, Deshaun, the lolly, the one and only, the no slip trader, the World Cup bet, King Nicola. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. How we doing?
Good. How are you?
Copper? I'm doing phenomenal, yeah. Fucking phenomenal. Hope you're doing well.
Bit of a bottle of water and a bit of a cup of tea this morning.
Big bottle of water and a cuppa. Hell yeah. Hope you're doing well, chat. Let me restart my treadmill. Oh no. Boom. Bam. Here we go. All right. All right. Celine, how was your day yesterday?
It was good. It was great. I was getting my steps in, you know, walking around.
You're practicing, huh?
Don't worry, I won't give it away.
So I need advice here, chat. All
right.
Here's my problem with the steps challenge. So I'm signed up for this other one that costs $60, right?
I don't care.
And listen. And you cannot get a refund. So right now there are only 19 people in our step challenge, which means the total prize pool is $285. So if I pull out of the other one, even if I win this one, I can only lose. That's kind of stupid.
That's kind of stupid. But come on. Ugh.
Why am I going to lose money? Like,
imagine doing 17,000 steps for 7 days and then losing money.
That's stupid.
Oh, it is
ridiculously stupid.
I'm all about the logic there. That is stupid. Leia, you know what? No, it's not an excuse. I would be of the same mindset. I would not sit there and do 17,000 steps just to lose money. It wouldn't. I mean,
I can still do 17,000 steps. That's not the problem. I can show you guys proof of that.
Well, I guess I'll just have to carry the boats and win this then. That's fine. Nick, you do your...
But the thing is, you won't.
Yes, I will, Nick. I will. I worked it out. Okay?
Alex Johnson, that is a phenomenal question. And I would love for that to be possible. But unfortunately, no. You can only ever be in one challenge at the same time. If you were able to do multiple, I would literally sign up for every single one in there. Because this is too easy. Like this is what I do every single day. It's too easy. Steps, not a challenge at all. That would be the easiest money ever. Fred says maybe paying money for making steps is a scam model and stupid all the way. Not if you complete it. If you complete it, you get your money back and more. So
I think it's a great idea. I mean, some people, if they're not motivated just by health, now they're motivated by money.
Yeah.
At least
there you go.
Go and get your steps in.
There you go.
Oh, Smiles' son is saying he created a second account. Well, he's got the Congo account.
Congo account?
You might have to enter the stepper with the Congo YouTube account. You know, your alt account.
You mean your account?
You mean your alt account?
Oh, Celine. Always looking for trouble. Daft Tremor, prove it live. Prove what live? Prove what live?
I'm also like trying to consider how many calories I need to eat doing 17,000 steps a day.
You don't need to eat more. You're gonna be fine.
Me, like, I'm gonna be starving.
No, you're gonna be fine. It's actually everybody who's gonna participate in this is gonna lose some body fat. If they keep eating like normal, and then they're gonna do 17,000 steps, assuming they usually don't do 17,000, they're gonna lose some body fat. It's great.
I feel like I need to look at it in more detail in terms of calories I'll be burning.
Okay, Leia says we got the like goal smashed. What was the like goal?
Oh, hell yeah. 590. 590.
Okay, nice. We got 634. So let's run the first giveaway of the day, chat. All we got to do to participate in this is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions playing with fire like that, you're going to get disqualified. And of course, if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super duper mega ultra hyper disqualified. You are going to have 30 seconds to fill this out. So good luck. Rod Williams says, what's the form? You are disqualified. Arco is, how do we enter? You are disqualified. Congratulations.
Alex Johnson's like, let Celine spin. I think my time with the giveaway, I think I'm banned for life now, guys, from that wheel.
T3 Metrics, where's the form? You are disqualified. Pop Freakers, form please. You are disqualified. Congratulations, you played yourself.
Some people just want to hear you say that. You are disqualified.
Yeah, it's their favorite phrase, apparently.
Enjoy it.
All right.
Way too much.
Copying everybody over to the good old magic wheel. Gotta refresh the form page really quick.
Are we still min Eller? We got to still be min Eller today, I think.
Yeah, we still have a min allo on there. Okay, we got 434 people who made it within the first 30 seconds. You guys are getting faster and faster and faster at this. Incredible. Absolutely incredible.
All right.
Let's see. Bang. It's loading. Loading. Here we go. First winner of the day is our good old lucky Blake. Blake7530. Congratulations. Type something in the chat, Blake.
Nice.
You just won.
Congrats, Blake.
Says yippee. All right. Congrats. Now let's see what you actually win. Blake. User win a big account.
Oh,
Big account.
big account.
Nice. 150k growth account coming your way. All you gotta do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's your Tradeify login email. And we're gonna be sending you your free 150k growth account within the next 7 days. Congratulations.
Nice. That is a big win. I'm going to set, just while I remember, I'm going to set the next target because we always forget.
Okay, what's the next target?
I'm going to say...
Let us know. Master of the
hell
giveaway.
yeah. 1,700 people here. Welcome, everybody. We're right now sitting at 783. Let's just say, let's do it. 999.
Patrick Justin says, nice white top. You're auditioning for the Backstreet Boys comeback tour or something? No, I did already audition. I'm already picked. So the tour starts, I think 17th of November. Yep. So I won't be here for like 2 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
Excited for you. That'll be awesome.
No, I'm excited for you
Oh.
because you get to listen to it.
Did you hear that, chat? We're gonna be blessed with listening to that.
Yeah. We're gonna give away some VIP tickets for it. So
Woo, sign me up.
Stay tuned, everybody. It's gonna be good.
Selena, you still in the long? Yes, Jasmine, I'm still holding a long here.
Ooh, let's see it.
You're in longs too, huh?
Ballsy, Celine. Yeah, I'm in longs. Could you maybe like go to a lower time frame and zoom in a bit more so we can see it properly? Because it's hard to see right now.
Wait, you want a lower time frame?
Yeah, if you could go to like the 15-second charts, that would help.
All right.
You know, for the adrenaline rush.
You want some quick anxiety here?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Yeah, and zoom in, please, so we see those candles. We really need to see. Yeah, there we go.
Let's go.
Whoa, blood flowing. Let's go.
Woo. This is great. Come on. This is what we need to like.
Oh my God! Look at that dump. Oh shit!
Oh
holy fuck! Oh, look at that pump.
We should do this at the open. We should do this right
on
my
dump.
Oh
my pump. Let's go. Pump.
Look at that wick. Damn, this is going higher now. Look at that wick we just left behind. Look at the FEG. Look at the 15-second FEG. Here we go.
My God. Can you believe there are people who trade like that? Not even kidding.
Oh my gosh, it's a 15-second FEG. We're holding the 15-second.
Mm-hmm. See? Ursula says, give us a taste of what to expect for the tour. Well, the outfit is the taste.
Oh yeah, can we get a bit of a teaser?
The outfit is the teaser. Mm-hmm.
No, it's dumping. Come back. No. Holy dump right now.
Mm-hmm.
Shit.
Rishabh, I trade 150k accounts because it gives me more drawdown.
Backstreet.
Gamer Apex is guys. Let's just switch to a higher time frame. Yeah, I would suggest that too.
All right, I'm back. That was too much.
Troy says, hold the 15-second trend line. Yeah, or
Yeah, there are people. I mean, anyone here trade 30-second and lower? I think
that's crazy. That's just crazy.
I think that's just a red flag, like psychopath level.
That's actually psychopath level.
But anyone dare to be honest and say that you can read those 15-second charts?
Mm-hmm. For those of you asking about the 17K challenge, look, if you have a treadmill desk, that's the easiest shit ever. If you trade for 4 hours a day and you walk during that time, you're gonna have over 20,000 steps. It's so easy.
Yeah, easily. It's at this moment that I realize I don't have a standing desk.
Wow.
I'm gonna have to just
Didn't you say you're gonna buy a treadmill until Wednesday?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
no, probably not for this Wednesday. Not this week. That means tomorrow.
Well, that's an easy out. There's many Wednesdays to come in your life, for sure.
Well, yes. Did I? I don't think I actually let you know which Wednesday, but it is. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna find one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in Greece. By the time it comes, you could give it a good month.
Well, I think you'll more easily find a Trojan horse than a treadmill.
Yes.
How to join the challenge, Trader Surov? You can sign up through this link. I'll paste it in the chat. The steps challenge.
Patrick, Celine, if we have a clear sell-off and dump with little resistance ahead, I'm okay taking 15-second IFG out of a 3-minute. No way, Patrick Justin. You trade ICT on what time frames like that? Has to be an IFG there. Also, I trail my trades when they're up 3R on the 15-second structure candles. Patty, I had no idea you were like this.
Yeah, also Patty, where are my pancakes?
But I mean, damn, if you can form structure and actually trade it profitably, like, damn, I have nothing to say to that. I had no idea you were trading this whole time on 15-second.
Amazing and Awesome says, hi, the walking Nick. Hi. Leah says, go to the store, buy a treadmill, take it home and start running on it tomorrow. Well, Leah, it's not that easy, because if you want to put it under your desk, you don't need a normal treadmill. You need like a walking pad. Otherwise, you're going to have the handles coming up right, and then you're going to have a tough time. And it's going to be way too big.
A 15-second kids give me market structure with ADHD vibes.
Jonathan says, oh, Celine, that's the bet. Step challenge for a pizza. So look, Jonathan, here's my suggestion. What I would do if I were you right now. Celine yesterday said she's going to absolutely crush the 17,000 steps challenge. So if I were you, Jonathan, I would say you sign up for it too. And if you beat her, right?
Beat her in terms of what?
Listen, I'm still explaining.
Okay.
So if you beat her, meaning you in total hit more steps than her, she owes you a pizza. But if she beats you, you owe her a pizza. That's a fair way of a bet, because guess what? Of course, the bet is even, and you guys will be doing more steps so you can eat that pizza guilt-free. It's a triple win.
I'm in, Jonathan, if you're in. I'm happy to buy the guy a pizza if he beats me.
Oh, Legacy Lamb. You open Pandora's box here, says, unlike you, Nick, some of us do enjoy to sit every now and again. Well, me too. But guess what? I'm not a bitch.
Oh, he said he's in.
Good.
Go for it.
Good.
Jonah, yes, I'm still in a trade.
Nice.
Nick is also in a trade. We're both in longs.
Man, I'm in many trades.
Oh.
I am in many trades.
Now it's just a question of who likes pizza more. I probably like pizza just as much as Jonathan. Honestly. It's one of my go-tos. If I'm feeling like having something that's like, you know, fatty, not good for me, it's usually I feel like a pizza.
Oh, pizza's great.
Pizza's great.
Yep. Pizza is always great.
Wow, Jonathan needs the link. Do you have the link?
I literally just sent it in the chat before. What are you doing, Jonathan? Okay, here's it again. Here we go. Here's the link again.
Did you not hear about the teen that lived off pizza and had great health? Slimy. In what universe? Lived off pizza? I don't think so.
What? Who lived off pizza?
Nick, I'm making sure Celine knows this is going down, so drop the link as many times as necessary. I feel bad now. I just want to buy him a pizza at this point because he really wants to beat me. You'll see, Jonathan.
That's going to be the real battle here. Jonathan versus Celine.
This is all just to take the attention away from you not joining us, but whatever.
Yeah, of course.
You have a valid excuse.
Well, I already fronted the $25 setup fee for the challenge. And now I also have to pull out of the other challenge, which also cost me $60. So then I will be down 85 and the prize pool is only 285. Like that doesn't add up.
Why, you wouldn't take a loss for the London gang? Just to be part
I
of
already
it?
did. I fronted the 25.
Yeah, that's true. All right, we'll give him that then, chat. We'll let him. Mixie, why did you enter, Celine? Why did I enter? Felt like it. No, I entered because back when I entered this long, this was the reaction candle I was taking. Previous 4 hour low had been traded below. We were well and truly below previous 4 hour low here. We had a nice clean reaction of previous day low already prior to like during the Asia session here. We had already taken out previous day low. So I am longing based off all of these key levels being taken out. We were also I think my entry was below daily open there. We're inside an hourly bullish gap. We had taken out previous 15-minute low. All of this considered, I was seeing very strong signals to go back higher. The only thing is we're in the middle of Asia range here. So we haven't quite gone from one extreme of the Asia range to the other. So Asia low is still intact. And that's an area I said, if we are to keep going lower, if this hourly gap inverts, then I'm going to get off and wait for Asia low sweep and then take another long stab at the longs from down there. But for now, yeah, that was the main reason. And the execution was taken off this 1 minute inversion FBG. But for now, we're in profit for like the first few minutes and then we tanked and now we're consolidating.
Holy Nick answer you gave there at first. I loved it.
Because it felt like it. I know, because I feel like I go over the the reasoning so many times. It's all right. I got patience for now.
Morning, Jimmy.
Good morning, Jimmy. He trades better without Nick. Nick has nothing to do with my trading, chat.
Okay, bye.
You mean NQ behaves better when Nick's not here, but my trading hasn't changed. Dang, what a 300. Nicola, you can come back.
But they said you trade better without me.
All right, let's see. Let's put the test of the theory. We won't have Nick for the rest of the stream now, chat. We're just gonna see if I can win this trade without him.
I think it's my face.
Yeah, maybe it's just the face because your voice is.
Yeah, so maybe it's better to just have my camera turned off like that.
No, the stream, they need the Backstreet Boys. They need they need it. They need the teaser. Alex Bother says, no, Nick, come back. Come on, give the people what they want, Nick.
Well, but they wanted me out. So what do you want? What do you want? Huh?
She already in a trade disappears when she's about to take the next one. What? When do I ever disappear before I take a trade?
Hello. What are you laughing about?
I know Leo Grossman is gonna love this one if he's watching.
Leo. Incredible that you remembered his name. You are a good host. We appreciate you remembering names, because that is one of the most important skills on planet Earth. Remembering a name. Now, you tell me, what is the next trade you're gonna take?
I don't know. You tell me. All going.
All going.
Oh.
Well, I know already. Now you're gonna know.
Wait, I just took a stop.
Wait, I took a stop.
I got stops now. What do I do?
Stop the hell on you. Get back in, because this is the better body.
That's like what a certain somebody would tell me.
Wait,
sounds like something
who would that be? Tell me, young lady.
This guy named Nick.
Guy named Nick. Oh, Nicholas Wicholas. The absolute OG of buying low and selling high. He understands. You should follow him.
All right, thank you. I will take that into consideration.
Well, don't just consider it. Do it. Here is the better buy than what you had before, isn't it, young lady? Yeah.
You're right.
Okay, then do it.
Do it. Oh,
so
wait.
My internet went out. Anything happened?
Hey, I just got stopped out while you were gone. But
oh no,
I've had this like rude awakening that I think I'm gonna enter the long again. Just had like a bit of a moment.
I like
there.
it. Why though?
Only if I get another setup. But I mean, why exactly?
I mean, I think it's a good idea because this is the lower buy.
I gotta wait to time this well though. I want to time it properly because Asia low is still there and I don't really want to have a trade on while Asia low is still intact. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, but I had a bit of a moment, spoke with God, and now I feel more aligned while you were gone.
Damn. I want to speak to him.
Yeah. Maybe one day.
Maybe.
I hope that Leo guy was here because he loves that.
No, he isn't. He would have lost his mind.
I know.
We know that.
God comes and he stops us for real.
Amen dopamine. Nick, are you generally a shy person? Yeah, that's why I show up every day in front of 1,700 people trading live, spending 4 hours a day publicly on the internet. Very shy. Mlinka Trading says, Nick, how can I reach out to you? I want to talk one-on-one. What do you want to talk about, Mlinka? Yeah, sorry, you said what?
Oh, I was just reading Kiz's comment. Wait, this guy wants to talk one-on-one and he's got the opportunity right now to speak directly to you.
I just first need to know what he wants to talk about. Mr. Derp, show us your cats. They're not here. Are they? Nope, not here.
Vision Maze, out of here. I'm banning you. Guys, stop with the spamming.
Bye, Celine. See ya.
Oh, Leia got there quicker.
No, but Leia only deleted one message.
Oh.
Leia, come on now. There you go. Nice work, Miss Leia. Miss Lager.
Layer Lager. Saying you should have listened to the master. You're going to miss these longs. Dylan, there is no such thing as missing a long if there's no setup there for me yet. I could long at any given point. I'm waiting for my setup.
MP123ETH says, can't listen to this chat once Nick joins. German banter is awful. What? I haven't said a single German word. I haven't seen a single German word in the chat. What the hell are you talking about, sir?
Doesn't look like German to me. I could bet Nick is in a long. Yes, Nick is in a trade. Roman, we can switch to Nick's charts.
Let me actually pull this. There we go. Bada bing, bada bong. This is my long. Swiss banter is better, Jonathan. You know it. You know it, sir.
This is your setup. Enter for the long central checker. Nope. This is not the setup. Nope. I will let you guys know.
Amelia, Nick, why don't you have TikTok? I do, but it's my old business TikTok. So it's all video business related. My TikTok is I am Nick Metzger if you want to go and watch some video business stuff.
Oh, there's someone trying to join on Stepper, but he can't add a payment method. I don't know.
I never had an issue with that.
Neither. Use Apple Pay. It's usually the easiest.
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys trade any other futures asset? I trade gold futures sometimes, but mainly NQ futures.
The gold futures. Okay, Jonathan, let me double check if you entered it correctly. 1 second, good sir. Checking. Great. Boom. There's 20 people in it, so it's a good chance that you did join it correctly because before it was 19. Yes, sir. Number 20, Pizza Johnny. All good. You're in.
Nice. It's on, Jonathan.
Yes, sir. It's on.
I was gonna say, where are we? Someone said, did your family make the Metzger engine?
No.
What's that?
I don't know.
Maybe they did.
No. They certainly didn't.
But you're a Metzger.
Yeah, so?
So your family made the Metzger engine?
No.
They did.
So that's literally so dumb.
Metzger flat sixes were designed to run flat out for hours. What are these? This is some sort of car part. You should ask your great-great-great-great-grandfather.
He was a surgeon. And then my great-grandfather was a surgeon, my grandfather was a surgeon, my dad is a surgeon, and I'm a trader.
Oh, you failure. You failed the Metzger family. Wow, every single one of them were surgeons?
Mm-hmm.
That's so fascinating. Maybe the original, though, the original Metzger was a mechanic or an engineer.
Well, you know what Metzger translated to English means, right?
No.
Butcher.
Oh, so originally you were butchers.
Yeah, but then all my...
Wait,
my dad...
stop on butcher.
Oh, wow, she finally got it. Woo! Congratulations.
Mind blown.
IQ just increased by 1.5 points.
Shit. All right, go on. So you started off as butchers.
Now that's funny because my dad and his dad and my great-grandpa, they were all surgeons, but their name is Butcher.
Shit, it's all adding up.
Mm-hmm.
Well.
Well. Cam Jem says not all Aussies are that slow.
Hold on a minute. Sorry that I don't know the translation from Metzger to butcher.
Well, you could have known because I've said it multiple times. on stream with you?
Nope.
Yes, I did. Even when I explained why I have the name No Stop Loss Butcher.
I don't recall.
But it's fine. I didn't pay any attention to what Miriam said on stream yesterday, and then people made fun of me for it. So
what happened?
She was telling this dire story how she made like a carrot cake on the weekend, and it was the best carrot cake because she did like whatever it was the best carrot cake she ever made, and she made that for her mom because it was her birthday, etc., etc. And then later she talked about that carrot cake again, and I was like, wait, didn't you bake a carrot cake? I saw that in your Instagram story.
She's like, yes, I just talked about it.
It was fun.
Oh, that's even worse.
Yeah. Use N17 says, Nick, you're unbearable. Sorry. Nick, just change your nickname to Butcher.
Yeah, how did they feel when you decided you weren't going to be the next surgeon?
My family isn't like that. They don't give a shit.
I was going to say, because it's a big...
my parents were always like, hey, whatever you want to do in life, we support you, which is like
That's awesome.
the best situation to be in. And I'm very, very grateful for that. So I could have literally become anything. They would have said, we support you. Well, that's my next mission. So.
Yes.
Yep.
That's the next phase.
Why not? Kobe says, stare at the candles all day. What a loser. That just reminded me of these videos. They're so funny. Of this guy who watches fail videos of other people, but like people who do really crazy stuff, like athletes. For example, gymnasts, right? And they do some really crazy tricks, and then they have one fail where they fall, for example. He's just eating chips on a sofa, and he's like, "What a fucking loser!" And he's like fat, sitting on the sofa like that. No, that's great.
That's always what they are.
Mo, Nick, you got Discord. Gonna send a pic. You're gonna love it. Yeah, I do. I'm never on it, but yes, I do. If you want to send something, I can open it up.
Michael McAmara says, that's how I am with my kids, as long as they learn financial literacy at the minute. Oh, you're teaching them about trading, Michael McAmara? Or financial literacy in general? I think that's super important. I wish I learned more in school.
Digicap says, imagine if you became Butcher. Look, what's even funnier is imagine if I would become a baker. And then I open a bakery and it just says bakery Butcher. And then people walk in and they're confused. Is this a butcher or is this a bakery? That would be funny.
Oh, FX says, Celine, somehow I'm still in this long and edged my stop loss. I'd be back up at break even right now. So don't even. Want to see where I got wigged out? Look here. Look no closer than right here. I'm pretty sure
I saw it.
No, for those asking, Elliot, no, I'm not in this trade anymore. I got wicked out. But I'm waiting for another opportunity to long.
Celine.
I think I had my stop just below the low, like that or something. And as you can see, I was the stop hunt. I was the liquidity.
The stop hunt.
That was me. Let's see. I'd be back now in profit. Thank you for your sacrifice, Celine. You guys are welcome. And for anyone else that sacrificed with me, our names will live.
Defense asking, Nick, why are you swinging right and left? Is there any logic in that? Yeah, it actually helps the market go up. Like I just do these random swings, kind of like aligning my chakra with the market, and then it goes up. Now I'm walking. That's why.
The Afghan trader's like, Sling, God did say buy again. That is right.
See?
Hey, God doesn't miss.
He said buy low. You have the better entry there, and you ignored it. It's kind of disrespectful, to be honest.
I know. I'm sort of feeling like, how do I make up for this?
Well.
Oh, hello, Herman.
What?
Herman just had you full screen for a bit there.
Oh. Nick is swing trading. Yeah. Yep. Okay, wait, Mo, now I gotta open Discord. Let's see. It's gonna take some time because it probably needs to run like 10,000 million, billion, trillion updates. Anna says, Nick, love your vibe. Kill the haters. Hell yeah. So some people appreciate it. It's fun. I love it. Bring the hate.
Robert says the short is getting ready soon. I don't think so. I think this is going higher now. I would prefer for it to drop lower to at least Asia low. We'll see.
Asia low. Let's see. Mo, I'm checking my friend requests. I didn't get one from you. Oh, I lied. No, I didn't lie, but I didn't see it. Okay. I just accepted you, Mo. Send it. Also, I hear myself through your speaker, Celine, just FYI.
Oh, putting it down. Sorry. Wow, we're like 40 minutes in. Okay.
I just started hearing it, which is weird.
Okay. Jason, Nick Slim, with your experience, do you still occasionally blow funded accounts or are those days behind you? Yes, absolutely, still blow funded accounts. Dylan, do you guys offer one-on-one mentorship? I really need it right now. Is this the guy that wanted to talk to you privately? I don't.
Not sure.
No.
Oh, that's so stupid. I'm not even blonde. Like, at least try, Mo. Come on. Like,
What is
this is what he sent me. Fisher Price, Nick, he said. Well, like, at least put some effort in it. Come on now.
Are you gonna show it?
It's here on my screen. Well, Roman is just not on my screen. Roman is like, yeah, fuck you. I'm not showing this.
Oh, Fisher Price. Yeah, it'd make more sense without the blonde.
Mm-hmm.
All he did was put the name tag there.
It's funny though.
He's like, bro, I just woke up.
Great idea, bad execution. I'll give you a C. That's actually my dad when he was in school.
Yeah.
He wasn't great at sports, like at all. So he got like a really bad grade in sports, and what they told him was an A for the effort, but an F for the execution.
Oh no.
Christine, I'm from Switzerland.
Brutal in Switzerland.
Yeah, well, what good does it do to you if they lie? You know, it makes sense.
We used to just get like a pass. You either just like, you wouldn't get like the F. You'd either just pass or not pass.
You gotta know where you stand.
Only up until like, it changed when we got to like end of high school, like year 11, year 12. But before that, it was just like, did you meet the standard? Yes or no?
Clearly not.
Wait, me?
Not you. I mean, I don't know. By the way, what about your push-ups from yesterday?
Hey, I was a straight A. I was in like top level. I was playing like high level sport, softball.
So why do you struggle to do some push-ups then?
Well, push-ups is different to the sports I was in. I was in like soccer. Soccer doesn't really use upper body. Just saying.
Okay. So where were your push-ups today?
Push-ups today were somewhere. They weren't here. But
clearly.
They're somewhere, okay?
Okay.
Still looking for those
let's
push-ups.
forget about the push-ups. I gotta ask you a different question.
Yeah.
Before I dive into that, I gotta answer this question that is in my chat right now. No guy says, Nick, you're from Switzerland, so do you also hate loud supercars? No, I love them. However, all the people around me hate them. So they will hate me once I buy a Lambo. That's for sure. But okay, question, Celine.
Yes.
And you have to answer honestly, fully honestly, okay?
Okay.
Last week, how many times did you go to the gym?
Wait, last week?
Yes.
It wasn't many. I think twice I could pull myself, but I was really sick.
Okay. So this week, you're not sick, right?
No, but this week, guess what? My gym is closed, so I'm doing body weight at home. I have no gym.
That counts too. That counts too. I mean, if a gym is closed and you do a body weight workout at home, that counts too. So did you do one yesterday?
The entire week. I went on Sunday and they were closed. I even tried to, because I was feeling better by the weekend.
So on Sunday you did the body weight workout?
Yeah.
Okay, and then yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, good. Good. Just wanted to check in.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it like that this week. Until next week, I'm back. Celine doesn't go to the gym. Gym goes to her. What the hell?
Celine has banana muscles? What are banana muscles?
Wait, what? Banana muscles?
Never heard of that. Jitesh, this is Celine's screen that you see right now, and she's not in a trade.
No, I'm not in any trade.
Oh, yes, Mandeep. Is the paddle tennis tournament still on? Of course. Of course. Get ready. Are you saving up for that, Celine?
Oh, yeah. We're ready. We're ready.
Nice.
Are you saving up?
Well, I got the money ready.
I got the money ready.
Perfect. Looking forward to it.
Sam says, Nick, don't force it. The lady is pregnant. Guys.
Oh, sorry, true. Oh
guys,
my God.
I
Celine,
have
I'm
a
really
doctor's
sorry.
report.
I'm truly sorry that I asked. How's pregnancy going?
Guys, I have a doctor's report. I had a full-on virus, bug, strain, something. All of the last 2 weeks, okay? I've finally been put on antibiotics, finally have probiotics in me now. I'm better. But for all of those, yes, I'm feeling better. For anyone who cared, okay? I was actually dealing with a serious thing. Thank you, chat. All right, not pregnancy. I hope none of you get that. Just saying.
Pregnancy? Damn, that's.
I hope none of you get that, whatever it was. No, Chad. I mean, no, we're not going there.
Look, it's funny because I, on purpose, ignored that comment and didn't mention it. And then you brought it up and now I'm going to lean into it. So
I did this.
You brought this upon yourself.
Celine
Lady.
excuses trades in her name. Trading and excuses is her game. Jonathan.
He's not wrong.
Hey, Cam Jam said, receive my second
Hey,
payout today.
Leia just timed him out. Come
Thanks,
on, Leia,
Leia.
you can't do that.
Oh, well, we're just a bit sick of it. Sick of the people saying I have excuses. No one sees how much I grind after this stream. No one sees. Okay, chat? You guys would have no idea.
That's true.
I'm at that gym most of the time when we're not closed for a whole week, which my gym just suddenly decided to close for the holidays. That's true, Leia. It is spam. Good. You keep going, Leia. You're doing great.
It's not spam. The fuck? Also, wait, let me check something.
We want to see the doctor's report. No, you guys are not getting my doctor's report.
Jonathan, I got revenge for you. I just timed Leia out for a minute.
Leia, no! You can't. There should be rules in place. How are we allowed to ban mods?
Well, if she thinks she can ban Jonathan, no bueno.
Wait, but I can't ban Market Maker Mario. How does that happen? Do you have more rights than me?
Maybe.
What is this? This is not a democracy.
No, it's a dictatorship.
Oh my gosh, Leia, I'm so sorry for him. I'm gonna try bring you back. I don't know how. Nick has elevated privileges. Supposedly, I didn't know about this, but he does.
See? You wanna test it, Celine?
Nope.
Wanna type something in the chat there?
How are you doing that?
Magic.
Not fair.
Life isn't fair.
Bring back Leia. Justice for Leia, everyone in the chat. Justice for Leia. She's the OG.
Champion, that's a great question. He's asking, can Leia still ban while being banned? Probably yes. She's fuming in front of the screen right now. Like, she's waiting to type. It's like, oh, Nick, you fuck.
She's gonna come back with a vengeance. Like goal smashed. Did we hit already 1,000 likes?
She's like, good polar. Ikea.
Well, we did. We're gonna do another givey, Nick. 1,000 likes.
Give you time? All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. And of course, if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super, duper, mega, trooper disqualified. So don't do that. And here we go. Here's the link. Bada bing, bada bong. You have 30 seconds. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck, everybody else.
Celine actually fell for it and typed something in the chat. So let's put her in a timeout. Bam. See ya.
How?
You're timed out for 10 seconds now.
No, I'm not.
Type something then.
I did.
Yeah, well, the 10 seconds have passed. Let me put you in a 1 minute timeout. Wait. Bam. How about now?
No.
Type something again.
You have been placed in a timeout by the owner of this video or a moderator.
Oh, interesting.
Oh my gosh. How are you doing that, Nick? Why can't I do that to you?
This is awesome.
What?
I love it.
You've been placed in a timeout by the owner of this video or a moderator. I am the moderator. I am the moderator.
Wait, why would you put yourself in a timeout then? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, the giveaway time. I'm gonna copy everybody over. 1 second. Loading.
No, this is rubbish. Nick, we're not moving on from this.
Why not?
What happens if I block you?
Well, then you're just not gonna see my stuff, which that only goes for you. Okay, here we go. Copying everybody over. The second winner of today's giveaway is... Bam! Earn money!
Woohoo! Congrats!
Earn money, type something in chat. We need to see you there.
I'm bothered by this.
I can tell.
Celine realized she's guest starring on Nick's stream. I know, when did I become the guest here?
Well, I was here first.
True.
Oh. That's probably why. Earn money, where you at? You have 15 seconds to claim. Actually, I'll give you 30. Until this 5-minute candle shows 3 minutes left. So 32 seconds from now. Earn money, you gotta type something.
It's time to earn your giveaway account.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Earn money.
Seconds.
Looks like you're not gonna earn money. This is gonna end badly. Sir?
5 seconds.
No, earn money. No. Okay, he lost it. He lost it. Chat, I was fair. I gave him more time. Didn't type. Andrea says he typed multiple times.
What?
Oh, is he on live chat? Maybe he's on live chat. Maybe. Let me check. Yeah, he's on live chat. He is actually. Wait, no, that was earlier comments. Let me check. Oh no, I see him now. He's on live chat.
Money.
Okay. I blame YouTube for that. Fucking stupid YouTube with the top chat and the live chat. Earn money, you're here. I see you. All good. You get it. Let's see what you get though. Spinning. Sorry for the confusion. Earn money, but this YouTube top chat and live chat is just stupid. Okay, you're getting a 25k growth account. Congratulations. All you gotta do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's your Tradeify login email, and then we're gonna be sending you a 25k growth account for the next 7 days. Now the question is, Mr. Earn Money, do you want to earn some real money and play a little game of 0, 1, 2, or 3, where if you spin this wheel, you might walk away with up to 3 accounts. The thing is, you have a 25% chance of losing your account. You have a 75% chance of winning at least that one account and a 50% chance of winning more than one account. He says gamble. So we are going to spin that wheel for you and we'll see. Mr. Earn Money, are you going to earn real money, or is this going to cost you your free account? Sir, it is going to cost you your free account.
Oh my gosh. This happened on Friday too. 25% chance of walking away with nothing.
No, earn money.
What?
No.
Come on.
Oh, no.
This happened to me last week with someone, and I think I ran it twice and it still hit 0.
Shit. Well,
oh shit.
There goes your chance. That means we're going to pick another winner. Because we're not evil.
Oh, damn.
We are not evil. Congo Man, did you get your hut mop from yesterday? Oh, I'm always mopping my hut. You know it. I was a bit late with mopping my hut, but I mopped the hut.
Damn winnings. Yes, well, sometimes it's worked on here. For some.
Yeah, it has worked before. Let me copy the people again, and we're gonna paste them. Okay, here we go. Now the actual second winner.
His name was Earn Money.
Yeah, he didn't earn money.
No.
Clearly. Okay, ES Quives. Esquives.
Squeeze.
Type something in the chat. You are the new winner of this giveaway. What's my trade doing? Thanks, sell and profit. Esquives.
There he is.
It says here. Okay, perfect. Let's see what you win. Actually, I'm gonna be putting it back on growth, select, and lightning, spinning for you. You are winning. It's going to be a growth account as well. Oh, a little bit bigger one. 50k growth. So 50k growth account coming your way. I'm not going to let you gamble it because the other guy gambled it and he lost it. So I'm going to make sure you're going to keep that one. So 50k growth coming your way. All you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's your Tradeify login email, and we're going to be sending you your account within the next 7 days. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. We haven't, interesting, we haven't seen the Congo Man in a while.
Yeah, that's true.
Was he here last week?
Gamble. No, guys. We saw what gambling did.
Was he here last week, the Congo Man?
No idea. I actually don't remember seeing him.
Interesting.
Oh, but you were away too. Haha.
Yeah, well, I was in the chat and I saw him sometimes, so.
Oh, okay. So he was here.
I just wanted to see if you remembered.
No, I'm not keeping tabs.
Mona says, Nick, you're the Congo man. No, I'm actually not. I am not. The robot says, I talked to the Congo man 3 days last week. Okay, so he was here.
Nice.
He was here, yeah.
Everybody says, yeah, thanks. Maybe next time I'll get good luck. Yeah, maybe next time.
Maybe.
Good attitude.
Maybe not.
Christine says, how often can you win accounts? Well, we run giveaways every single stream. This is just a London stream as well. If you join New York stream as well, you have even more chance. And Asia session stream.
That is correct.
So every day there's a chance. Multiple chances.
Chilling in New Orleans at the moment. Congo? You're not in the Congo? You moved? Did you drive your i3 Rex from Africa to the US? That's a long drive. Oh, you left it at home? I see. I see. Lucas says, good morning, I'm new here. Welcome to Tradeify TV.
Welcome.
Mustaki, I'm gonna screenshot your message and send it to the team so they can take care of it. We have way too many of them, and we always get the information, like a lot of people don't have a Tradeify account associated with the email address that they put in their YouTube channel description, and that's obviously a big problem. So that way we can't send you the account, so make sure you have that.
Shirley also says, I'm also new here first day. Welcome. Welcome to anyone who's new, who's just found Tradeify TV. We're here every single day. Welcome.
I'm shaking my head because of the Congo man. I thought he got over that, but apparently not. He says, going to dinner at Napoleon house tonight, get a snack, and of course, ... Where's the form? I haven't even disqualified him and he already types, damn it. Well, sir, you're disqualified.
Nice. Maka Mari is taking the longs of 50% of the London IB mid. Okay. Nice.
Nice. Okay, Resilient Forex. Sending this to the team as well. We're currently working on a giveaway system so that doesn't happen anymore, and we're way faster. So I apologize for the delay. All right, here's the 9 a.m. UK candle. Tokyo Stock Exchange closes and New York pre-market opens.
Light goal. That's right. We didn't set another light goal. So let's say, you want to set one, Nick?
Okay. What are we at exactly, Roman? Because now we can only see the thousands. I mean, I see 1.1K, but how many exactly are we at?
I can only see 1.1 as well.
Yeah, because it depends if you're at 1.18 or 1.11. Let's see. Peter Lobico says, I'm new in this channel. Welcome. Welcome. Roman? Do you see the current like count? He says, not yet.
Hell, Tejvia, yes. Your account that you sign up with Tradeify must be the one that you give in your YouTube channel description if you win a giveaway. That's how it works.
Mm-hmm. Click the description, it will tell you. I don't see it. The like count. Okay, we're at 1,111, says Mr. Derp. Okay, then let's set the like target to 1,300. 1,300 likes, we're gonna run another giveaway.
All right. Sweet. Market's about to reverse, just hit an hourly bearish gap. Wow.
You know what rhymes with sweet?
Sweep.
There you go.
Go. Market is about to reverse, says this guy in the chat. I tend to disagree there. This is where, like, this hourly gap hold that we had seen, like where I sadly got swept out. This is where it's looking really nice because we failed to invert the hourly bullish gap, and we've had a nice hourly close there, closing above the midpoint. It just sucks that I got wigged out of this, but this is the market structure that I wanted to see hold. Just literally tick too, my stop was like a tick too high there.
A tick too high.
Tick too high, but this, I like this for a continue. I'm waiting for another opportunity to still enter the long from here, just so you guys know. I'm not anti it. I just am trying to time it, waiting for a bit of a pullback, and then I'll re-enter.
Nice push up now. The trade is up 50 points here. Roman, if you want to go to my screen. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, looking at ES and NQ at that time that I got swept out, it was an SMT as well. ES didn't actually take that low and NQ did, and that was the low that took me out of the long. So damn you, NQ. ES would have kept me in. And then SMT, of course, whenever we have that SMT divergence between the two, there's always a reaction at that. So there you go. You can see that there. If I draw the lines, you can see how NQ dipped lower and took out that swing. And then ES didn't. And there you go.
Womp, womp.
So there. All right, sorry, we can switch back. Just showing that that is pain. There are no other words.
Well, I heard God came in and told you to buy lower.
It's true. He did.
How many points would you be up now if you would have listened to that voice?
Well, decent amount of points, absolutely. From where I got stopped out, we're 70 points higher.
Interesting.
But I don't trade with voices in my head. I didn't get to this place by trading by the voices.
Well.
I gotta trade the setups.
You're right. You're always right.
Hey, not always. Who said anything about always right?
That's true.
Reversal could happen off the hourly gap. Yeah, you guys keep talking about this hourly gap. But if you see a high time frame, bullish market structure is holding. We'll see though.
That's weird. For me on YouTube, that poll, even though I already voted for it, it pops up over and over and over again. And if I said dismiss poll, it just pops up again. So annoying.
Haunting you. Mine doesn't do that.
It's weird. I've never seen that before. See you, Mario.
Oh, see, Mario. Leo will have to take control now. Leia says she's long on. Oh, did you hear that Leia's trading gold and NQ these days? She's dropped oil altogether. She dropped CL.
Yeah, I heard she did some back testing. How did that go so far, Leia?
Yeah, how did you find the markets, Leia, now that you're trading a new asset? I think your first day, was it yesterday, trading NQ?
I think it was.
Oh, hell yeah. You said 6 wins yesterday.
Nice.
Let's go.
That's pretty good.
Sounds like a few trades. Is that 6 trades you took on NQ? Take TP off at 1R. Nice. I like that strat. Locking in the profits. Cumulative being between higher time frame gaps is normally so annoying. Yeah, it is. It's kind of an area of price, like it can go both ways, but if you look to higher time frame, that's usually your best bet of like understanding where price should head. Like if you go higher, you can tell that, like, yes, we're in an hourly bearish and bullish gap, but if you go higher than that, the 4-hour is looking very much after after we took out previous day low here, closed bullish back inside. You can tell that is definitely looking like bullish market structure here. We have a higher low put in, taking out previous day low, and you have a swing high that's yet to be taken out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. She took 4 across NQ and 2 on MGC. Nice, Lay. Sounds like it's like working out for you already, which is great.
It does. So you're completely abandoning oil?
Do it.
Do it. T. Bogart says, Nick, the voices are telling me that you should make me a mod. Well, the voices are telling me that you're getting a 10-second timeout. Whoop.
Oops.
Jasmine says, Nick, re-entry. What do you mean re-entry? I'm still in it. You can stay on my screen, Roman. I'm still in the trade. It seems like Roman likes wide screens better.
Yeah, always.
Come to the dark side, blade. To the dark side.
Big shortcoming, these guys are saying. Oh, you guys have to stop reading these like 5-minute candles as like big short. There's nothing big about this move.
They see one little candle and they're like, oh my God. Oh my God.
All right, well, that's previous 15-minute low taken there. I am looking now for another long setup. Gonna wait though.
All right. What would need to happen for you to take a long?
Yeah, so I would need the same bullish inversion to happen on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
I'd need to see pretty much where below all the other levels that are needed to be taken first. So at any point now, as long as I get that inversion, I'm happy with this.
Okay.
We have SMT at the lows.
Let's see.
We've just dropped back into 50% of that. This gray box here is the hourly FVG, the bullish one that we're just still inside of. But let me see, we're just reacting to 50% again here, the midpoint. I gotta waiting for an inversion.
Mm-hmm.
4 PC, no re-entry, Celine. I don't have an entry yet. I will let you know if I'm entering a trade.
No entry for madam.
Not yet.
Jamie says, subscribe, best fade sub on YouTube. Nice. Hey, as long as we can help you make money, that's great. Doesn't matter how you make it. Oh, that's a new one. I've never heard that one. Mart W says, sorry, sweep, we up low. We up low, sweep.
I've never heard of that.
Nope.
Is gold the best asset for long term? Long term what? Please don't be vague. When you're asking.
Damn. Cheap run. It's a lucky guy. Says, good morning, Nick and Celine. I won an account yesterday in New York session and it was delivered to my inbox within a couple of hours. That's how it should be.
Let's go. That's exactly how it should be. So there were people in here this morning telling me like, oh, I bet no one ever gets their accounts. But this is an example.
Yeah.
Most people get their accounts. But
They do.
for those of you who follow the steps correctly, you should receive the account pretty quickly.
Yep. Very, 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 very true.
All right. We're going lower. No entry for me here yet.
Are we though?
For now. 29,730. Back at these lows. Are we going for Asia low first? This is all the questions running through my head right now. Let's have a look.
Let's see. I haven't measured the overnight session yet. I just realized. Second. Ah, okay. It was, what was it? Only, not even 200 points.
Yeah, it wasn't a big one.
195. Interesting.
So chatter, who of those people who were saying it's going short, it's reversing, like who actually entered something? Who is willing to be honest about that? Before price goes any further, who is actually entered a short?
A classic. People calling
TX.
stuff out and then not taking them.
What's that?
People saying, "Oh, see, I told you, short," but they never took. They never took it.
Yeah, I know.
Love
You
them.
can't even trust that. But I know there were some people saying that they were
Yeah,
taking.
there are a bunch of people in the chat.
Oh, I'm short. Just banked on personal shorts. In shorts here, Kryptonia. Okay. There are a few of you taking these shorts, so let's see if everyone's going to be honest soon. TXRTH Sony says IFVGs are good in gold, Celine. Oh, what happened to your charts?
Just gave me an error message.
I was just going to answer this guy. There are IFVGs in every asset, obviously. More so, like I trade NQ a lot of the time with that model and using that execution based on the inversion for value gap. But there are times where, yes, gold has a similar reaction, like today, in that point in the middle of Asia. Like there was an inversion reaction and you could have taken a short off there. But I'm not going to sit here and say it's clean every single time there's an inversion. You can't trade like that. Just based off inversion for value gaps. That's not how it works. But Roman, we can switch back.
Yes. Yes, sir, Mr. Roman.
Looking for buys.
Wait, you?
No, reading KGDM.
It sounded like you're thinking something through and you're saying like,
oh yeah, I'm looking for buys. I am looking for buys. Looking for bounce, says Jamie. Liam says you need breaker, inversion, high time frame, FVG support, not just inversion. I mean, you can if that's the way you trade, but I'm definitely going to say that you need framework around your trading. You can't just say, I'm going to enter off this inversion for value gap, because that can happen anywhere in price. There can be inversion for value gaps everywhere. But you got to align that with something like, you got to time it based on what you're seeing high time frame or like there's just got to be more structure to it, framework. You can't just enter off that. That's never going to be enough. Oh, sometimes you could get lucky and just be like, it could be a lucky one, but over time, how does that look?
Mario, are you still here? Get the fuck out of here, man.
I thought he was going to sleep. No. I said, okay, bye for real now. All right, see you, Michael Megamaro.
See ya. Peace, yo. Yo, Roman, what's happening over there? You have your mic turned on. Sounds like you're cooking something. Roman is always cooking. Roman is always cooking.
Lo says, what's up, Celine? What would have to happen for you to enter a sell? We'd have to have done the opposite to what we did today. So for me to enter a sell, the 4-hour candle would have had to trade it higher first in its opening at 2 a.m. We would have had to go higher to take out previous 4-hour high, and then had a sell-off from the Asia high, which we had today. We did have, but it was just not in the session. So the 12:30, this reaction that we had after Asia high sweep, if I go back, that was the short. The reason I would have been in short would have been much earlier on in the session. That was before Frankfurt Open. So we had Asia high sweep, previous 4-hour high sweep. We traded higher than the previous 50-minute high at that point. And then all of that aligned with the inversion on the 1 minute. And that would have been the only reason for me today to enter the shorts would have been at 12:34 a.m. Eastern. Had I been at the charts. So yeah, for now though, like coming into the Frankfurt Open, the London session, we went lower first. So we're continuing this like sell-off. And so now I'm looking for that point in price to long from. Because we've met some targets. Previous day low already having been taken out is one of them. But now it looks like we're heading back down to that level. So 4-hour candle is not looking the best, the cleanest for me, with a top wick. And now a very bearish looking 4-hour candle.
It can flip though.
Hey?
It can flip though.
Yeah, it can flip. There's an hour and 40 minutes left in this 4-hour candle. The only thing I'm not liking as well is how, I mean, there's still, again, 40 minutes left of this hourly candle. So it can flip back up, flip bullish. But right now, it's looking like it's going to invert the hourly FBG. And I don't like that. And any lower, the lowest for me to still have longs be valid is Asia low. Could still long, but if we keep dumping through Asia low and beyond, I'm just going to have risk off and I'm just going to wait for New York session. But for now, I'm going to still try the longs.
The longos. Let's see. I'm still in my long.
Oh, there you go. Mandeep said, Celine, will you take a long from Asia low? Yes. If I get a setup anywhere between now and Asia low, yes. I'm still going to take that. Asia low is 29666, devil's number. Oh gosh, that's not a good sign, is it? Wait, it's not on mine. 667. Oh no, it's 666.
That's a better number.
Yeah.
They're close by. Very close by. T-Bone says, we know, Nick, it can drop 600 points and you'd still be in the long. That's correct.
Celine, those plants real? No. That plant is not real. Scuba Patrick, Celine, do you have a different approach at the NY session or more or less the same than in the London? The way I trade New York session is like a little bit more flexible, and I just, by that, when I say that, I mean like my entry criteria is not as strict. It's still a reversal way I trade. Like I still wait for sweeps and like fade the lows. Like if we're towards the end of like, we've swept at London low, for example, if we've taken out like a previous day low level, it doesn't always have to be that 4-hour. I don't play that 4-hour candle the same. And on gold, sometimes I will trade the orb. So Yeah, it's a little
do?
different. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. On gold sometimes. In the New York session.
Just learned something new.
I've spoken about that on stream.
Let's dive into it. How do you trade the orb on gold in New York session?
I use the... Oh, do I want to like give away the strat?
I mean, sure.
I don't know. Huh?
Sure.
I mean, I will say this. I trade the 5-minute break of orb. That's
Interesting.
It.
Okay.
Yeah.
The break. So like the breakout.
So Yes.
Oh, okay.
The 5-minute candle.
And then you basically wait for a 5-minute candle close outside of the opening range, or?
Yes.
So technically you have to wait 10 minutes to take a trade.
Yes.
Okay. And then your stop is below the low of the opening range?
Nope.
No, you don't want to tell us about it?
No.
That's fine.
It's too good, chat. I can't give it away.
Why not, if it's so good?
Because that's exactly why. I think everyone needs to go and watch Orb on gold. Go and do your own back testing, but 5-minute on gold, go and have a look. There's a stop.
I've given more away about my strategy, Jeff.
Huh?
I've given way more about my strategy.
No way, you haven't. No way.
Yes, I have.
I mean, yes, there's a stop loss, there's a TP in place. It's very they're saying it now that don't have a stop loss. No, that's not why I'm laughing. I'm laughing because I don't use the full orb range as my stop. It's a tighter stop, and the TP is very specific. What can I say? Definitely, I go for the breakout candle. So when that first 5-minute candle breaks out, I'm in. And that's about it. But in terms of taking profit, stop losses and that, I'm not going to reveal it all.
Damn, secret.
Can't give it all away. I don't trade New York live on stream. That's for me to know.
Oh, true. You still need to join us as a guest.
We'll see.
Do you wanna join this week?
I can't this week.
Busy?
I will at some point. Hold on, I'm gonna probably enter this long from here.
Doesn't want to answer my question, chat.
Busy, you said. Yeah, I said I can't this week. Next week? Probably.
Next week?
It's probably better.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Right, I'm gonna enter this long.
I like it. I'll enter another one with you. So I add it to my position. Just so you're not entering this alone. Oh, you have a better feel than me.
Disgusting fill. All right. Yeah. This is the trade.
I'm in with you, Celine. We're in the same long. Let's go.
Woohoo! Okay.
So where's your first target?
If this stops that, what's that? Sorry.
Where's your first target?
Roughly 29,760. 29,760 is the first.
Okay, I have mine at 63.25. How about you move it up to 63.25 so we have the same target?
No. Why do we have to have it the exact same?
Because if it's going to go up to 60, it's going to go up to 63.25. Promise.
Nick, no. How about no? And then
you can my additional 3.25 points.
Yeah, why do we need those 3 points? What if it doesn't go there, right? And I haven't followed my rules, and then I end up taking a stop.
If it goes to 60, it will go to 63.25.
You can't talk with absolute there, Nick.
Yes, I can.
Why?
Because I can.
You can't talk in absolutes when it comes to trading. How can you say that?
Of course I can.
It's definitely going to 63. If it goes to 60, it means it definitely goes to 63.
It will.
100%.
Yes.
How can you? Okay, then you should be a millionaire. How do you know that?
King of Rage Bait. The King of Rage Bait. How about we add that to the intro?
For real, actually, that's going right in right now. King of Rage Bait. Done.
Solana Man says you can tell these two are married. No, we're engaged, but not how you think.
Quite the
Not
opposite.
how you think. She's engaged to somebody and I'm engaged to somebody.
We just fight on stream. We're brother and sister.
Yep.
And somehow every single day we end up in an argument because Nick wants me to take profit where he's taking profit. And I'm saying no, because that's not the area of price I'm taking profit in. I'm very strict one-to-one. He knows exactly the way I trade.
It's always good. Always feels amazing to rage bait Celine.
Yeah, you enjoy it way too much.
Well, Celine, what's your wedding date again?
We haven't booked the place yet. But it's the one after yours, not that one. It's the 18th, most likely.
See, chat, I told you.
What?
Fucking told you.
Tell me what? She was gonna.
For this one, I don't have the receipt. I would need to go look back on streams. But once in the stream, I asked you, "What's your wedding date?" And you said, "I'm not gonna tell you." And I said, "I'm gonna find out."
You probably annoyed me that day. You probably really annoyed me that day.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm not gonna give it.
But that's actually funny. We're getting married both within a week. That's crazy.
But you know, like ours isn't actually booked yet. So to be fair, I still don't have the exact date, but that's kind of the date. But yeah, probably the week after.
Fair. Slashplay says Celine push-ups. Yep.
That will be interesting though. Who's going to hold down the fort in the London session at that point?
That's a great question. Maybe Rebecca.
True.
But also another great question is who's going to do the push-ups for your trade right now?
That is a great question. All right, I'll do them. I'll do push-ups.
Of course.
And you better do yours at that point. If I'm doing mine, you better do yours.
I'll do them right after.
Okay.
He's like, okay.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay, but do them properly. And today is 8.
Okay.
1, 2.
Oh, it hurts when you take a week off.
That's why I don't take a week off. See? 3.
No, I'm gonna do 5 today.
Ooh.
I'm weak.
4. 5. 6.
All right, that's max. I'm maxed out.
No, you can do one more. One more normal one. Come on.
No, I can't. I'm maxed.
Well, chat.
I
What are we
can't.
gonna do?
Basically, I'm maxed out.
Sure.
Hey, I
Sure,
still did.
Sure.
How many did I do? I still did more than I would say. Than I said. I did 6. Still a win.
Okay. I'll do mine.
Go on. NQ, turn around. Stop this dumping nonsense.
Nice.
Great. How many was that?
20.
Nice.
A good old 20.
Tell these bears to come back another time. Don't like this. I didn't see any inversion. Why did you take the long here? Look at NQ chart. The MNQ chart is what I executed off, but the NQ chart is where the inversion was. So at 424.
420. Okay. Gotta go to the bathroom really quick. 1 minute. I'll be back.
Okay. No, guys, don't dump it. Chat says it's fine. We're sweeping the low here, then we reverse. I don't know. At this point, if I was going to say before, if I do take the stop here, I'm really out for the London session, and I will come back in the New York session. Like, I cannot keep trying to take stabs at this long if it's going to show me intention to keep going lower and lower and lower. And that would just be insanity, trying to be married to some sort of reversal bias here, and price is showing me otherwise. So can't take that too many hits in one day on a funded account. So that is how I protect it. I have risked the amount I'm happy to lose, and then beyond that, I'll shut it down for the day, call it a day, and then come back in the New York session. Shut down for the session, sorry, not shut down for the day. And we'll see what we can grab in the New York session. But at the moment, we look like we're going lower and lower. Are you trying to lose money for consistency? No. No. Actually, we've been on a green streak, so it sucks. It sucks even more. But it's fine. You can't win all the time, every single day. Justin says, I feel like you would have shorted if you were trading on your insulin. Justin, if I was here on time, I would have been in the shorts. Yes. I feel like that short would have just been a continuation from the midnight around that price that it would have shorted from. Potentially, this could have been a continuation sell, but I don't know. We're back at previous day low. Maybe we can have the reaction here. Gold looks good for longs. Let's see gold. What's gold doing?
I'm back.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm checking. Some people are trading gold. Oh yeah, gold is having gold had a decent drop like in the London session, and now it's starting to slow down and come back a bit, but I can see that potentially just only being a retracement. I see gold and I see these two relatively equal lows towards previous day low. They're kind of where my eyes go to. I see this as more of a pullback, and we probably could see gold drop lower into this 4373 level. But I'm not trading it right now. I'm trying to, oh, thank you. Don't turn on me. Turn around. Go back.
Where's your stop again on this? Oh, it's like right there below that.
Two.
Okay. I see.
Oh, we hit the likes.
Did we? We were just at 1.1. What the fuck? Now we're at 1.2. We're not at 1.3
Oh, we did
yet.
1.3. And Gia.
No, she just said hit the like. It's like
Oh, I
motivation.
just said. All right, read that so wrong.
Come on, Celine. Come on now.
Let's go short on NQ. You guys in the shorts are making decent profits here. Well done. I'm in the red on the other end.
Well, you're still in this. The thing is about your stop. That's a better buy opportunity right there.
Or not. Or it could keep dumping and I could completely blow an account.
Depends how many contracts you take. If you take it with one micro, you won't. You won't blow an account.
Yeah, but if you keep buying as it goes lower, you absolutely can. If it keeps going lower and you keep buying it.
Depends how you do it.
100%.
You can, yes, you can. But if you get stopped out and you re-enter it with one micro and you just hold that micro, you're not going to blow the account. Unless you only have like a couple $100 of drawdown left, then that's a different story.
Mm-hmm. Well, I see how that works for the way you trade. I can't do it. I like the way I trade. It works. And today it's just a losing day. I could take 2 losses and I will just call it here. I will wait for a cleaner setup after the session, moving into New York session. That's fine. We have been on a win streak. We've been on a green streak. I have anyway.
True. Yeah, last week was great for you, right?
And I think the week prior, the last couple weeks have been great. New York session as well.
Good.
And today just looks red. Looks like it's going to be a red one. But we can bring this back as well. This doesn't have to end the day. This is only the London session.
Yep. You do you stop after 2 losses per session?
Yes. On the day I won't actually trade these funded accounts in like for the rest of the day. I'll let this go. But in terms of my other accounts, I can still trade. Absolutely, but it's looking like it's going to be red for me on these accounts today.
Okay, fair.
Stop when the account is blown. No, I gotta put stops on myself to not overtrade and like lose an account because I take more losses. I mean, we do because of props and the drawdown, like that does affect the way I risk manage. That's why I have those like rules in place to not blow the account in a day.
Mm-hmm.
Justin, yeah, these are some of my fundeds, yes.
Nice.
Justin says, don't erase a week of work in one day for a little green number. Yeah, and the thing is, tomorrow, like, it might look red on the day today, and it might look like a lot, but when you come back tomorrow, you start fresh. It's a new trading day. So you can not worry about and be so fixated on the number. You just take it as a new day, new trading day, whatever. Here we go. This trade could even end up playing out. And we might be talking about this red day that never even happens. So just, I don't know, stick to your plans. Don't get fixated on red, green. Just follow a process. Have rules like that.
Fair. Also, I saw a comment before from Chef Trader. Said, bro is weird telling her what to do while she has a strategy. I assume, Nick, focus on yourself. I'm not telling her what to do. She knows exactly what she wants to do and is going to do exactly that. I'm just sometimes like to ask questions to understand how her brain thinks. And then you guys get to understand how my brain thinks. And then for some people, her brain will work better, her thought process. And for some people, my thought process will work better. And it doesn't matter what you do. You just do whatever you want to do. That's the beauty about trading. You do what you want to do, and Celine and I are just going to be fighting like brother and sister.
Vibing. And the other thing is, like, there are so many ways. I think you guys hear it all the time. So many ways to skin a cat. That is trading. There are so many ways to trade, to see where you feel like shorting, to see where you feel like longing, to see like how long you want to hold a trade for, to like all those different ways and pretty much determined on your personality. That's what I think. I think there is no holy grail to to trading. Like there is no one fixed way. Like this is how everyone should trade. This is what works every single time. Like that just doesn't exist. So many different ways to trade.
True. Very true. Hey, look, your trade might play out there.
Maybe. It's approaching. Well, maybe we are getting closer to this hourly candle close. So if it's gonna hold this gap again, it's gonna be nice. If not, I might be cooked. That's 17 minutes. And let's see how this hourly candle closes.
Let's see. I think you're gonna be fine. Iron Pitch Investing says, first of all, it calls you Selena, but says Celine brain is full of cotton candy and unicorns. Nick's brain is it's a butcher shop and CrossFit gym. I don't even do CrossFit. So.
Hey, Justin says, have a good rest of your trading week, Selena and Nick. Manifesting a payout for you too this week. Thanks, Justin. It's going to take a lot more than manifesting. I didn't take you as the manifesting type either, Justin. But thanks. Sasha Plays wants to learn more about the way you trade, Nick. Where can he learn more?
Here, ask questions. That's the only way how you can learn, because I don't have a course, I don't have a Discord, I don't sell anything. I just trade on here. That's what I do. So it's fortunately and unfortunately the only way.
So there you go,
Hey,
Sasha.
really?
If you do have questions, Nick trades this live. You can ask right now.
You're getting closer to your TP1 there.
9 points.
Nine points. 760 on the dot.
Yep.
Yup.
And don't tell me if it goes to 63. If
I
it
didn't.
goes there, don't even.
I didn't say a thing. Nothing.
I'm waiting. It's going to go to 63. If it goes there, it's going to be like, see, 3 more points. You got to add 3 more points.
I'm not saying anything. Not yet, at least.
Oh, GPG says I got Nicholas Wickless out of the same long. Which one, GPG? The first one I was in? Brother, that sucks. How do you decide that we are not, Peter says, how do you decide that we are not going for Asia low liquidity first and wait? I don't have a way to decide that. I wish I knew the days we go to Asia low and the days we just don't. What I just use is sometimes I could be entering that early and I put risk on anyway. And I just let myself take 2 losses max. And then if it keeps going against me, then I allow it to just, maybe one goes to Asia low that day. Or maybe I take 2 losses and it never does. But the point is, I don't always wait for that Asia low sweep. It doesn't always have to go there. And in today's trading, I'm using a higher time frame for value gap and the reaction that we're having in there to show me that there is buying strength here. And 1, 2, 3 hourly candles closing, potentially this third one now is going to close respecting the midpoint of this bullish gap, showing me there is bullish momentum, strength, buying support, anything, any and all of those words, to push price up higher here, and it is really failing to get through and invert this gap. So that's more the reasoning behind today's trade, not so much Asia low. Resilience lean first TP isn't really a one-to-one.
What do you mean?
I think he means because when I say one-to-one, I mean one-to-one off the low. I always just manually drag my stop a few points below the low, but I mean one-to-one based on the low. You have to work with me here, chat, when I say one-to-one. It's whatever the calculation off the low is from my entry.
Well, for a one-to-one, your target would need to be 764.5.
No, it wouldn't. Look.
Yes, it would.
Look at it here. I'm actually a bit over one-to-one. I'm 107.
Yeah, but I know you just explained that, but that's not where your actual stop is. So,
yes, but what I mean, okay, here, I'll put the stop here.
But no, you don't want your stop there.
It can be there.
Well, you don't really want to stop there, right?
Look, it's a one-to-one. That's not how I calculate it. The one-to-one is based on the low. It's a one-to-one off the low. Risk-wise, it's a little more. It's a little less. But that's how I determine where my TP level is.
Where did you have your stop before?
Just below the low.
You had it at 712. So now, currently, you have it at 718, right?
Wait.
That's a 6-point difference on a 26-point target.
TP1.
6 points is 23%. What do you mean it's a bit lower?
1 second.
Oh, 63 and a quarter hit.
I always have my stop I always have my TP1 based off one-to-one based off the low. So that's theoretically where my stop should be placed, but lately I just drag it in a few points extra, but I don't change where my TP1 is because I didn't backtest doing that. That's just more of a discretion thing, like where I physically place my stop, just allowing a bit more room. But the one-to-one is based on backtesting data. It's one-to-one off the low. So that's where my TP1 will always be, 100% of the time. But the actual stop in place, the way I drag it a few extra points, that's just a discretionary thing, like where physically I'm allowing it to go. But
so
anyway.
Then it's not a one-to-one.
Yeah, it's not a one-to-one, but I hope you guys understand that's how I backtested. So my stop has only changed in the last few months that way, like where I put the physical stop being a bit lower. But if you guys don't understand that, I can even go and film a video explaining that too. I mean, if I go back to putting my stops right at the low, it's not going to be good. But anyway, that is TP1, and I will holding now. Stops at break even, and I'm holding till just above Asia high there, A54. Right. We'll see.
Nice.
What indicator with SMT in previous day you use? I don't have an indicator for SMT, guys. I just drew that up. Just 33 more likes.
33. 33 more, and then we're gonna run the third giveaway of today. Is that the third? I think so.
Yep. Yes, Leah. That's exactly what I do. Celine, look at gold. What's gold doing? Oh, yep. Gold is having, I mean, it's nothing crazy. It consolidated at previous 4-hour low a bit we hung around here. Now it's looking like it's buying back up, but it's nothing crazy on gold.
Did you look at where the high was on that move up?
The high? What was it? Oh god.
Check it out.
63.5. So, okay. So you were right, Nick. It went to 63.5. But
no, I said 63 and a quarter.
willing...
It went higher even. I said 63 and a quarter.
Oh, sorry, 63 and a quarter. But are you willing to bet your life every time when price goes to 760, it goes to 763 and a quarter? Was that the logic?
Nope. I said on this move, if it's gonna go to 60, it's gonna go to 63 and a quarter.
All right. Why were you willing to risk your life behind? So you were really willing to risk your life on that. I know in hindsight it's gone there now, but were you willing?
Yeah. So I get to live. Nice.
You get to live, but
I get to live.
Why do you talk?
I know we need to move on from this topic because some people in the chat are pissed that we are having sibling fights here.
Really?
Yep.
Chat, you've been here enough.
Okay, let's focus on the giveaway likes then, chat. Huh? How about that? How about you hit the like button, get us to 1,300 likes, and then we're gonna give away a third account. How about that? Menzo says, workout of the day, done. Daily profit target, hit. Having fun on the London stream, check. Nice. Good. Good. Slash replace, it was 200 EMA? No, 200 EMA is much higher, so it's 793.
I want to know who else is holding those shorts that you guys were in before, and who's in longs. We'll see. Oh, there's still the poll in there. 45% long, 23% short, and 32% flat.
Mm-hmm.
So still most of you in longs. Oh, we hit it? Nice.
Did we?
Mm-hmm.
Let me refresh. Refreshing the page. Oh, we actually did. Let's go. Just in time, chat. Just in time. Okay. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get super duper mega disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, oh God, don't even think about joining a future one anymore. So here's the link. You're going to have 30 seconds. Once this 5-minute candle shows 4 minutes and 30 seconds left, you missed your chance. 20 seconds.
Good luck.
Good luck, everybody else. Let's see. 5 seconds left. And done. Bam. All right. 411 people made it in time. So,
Not too many.
copying. You guys over to the form, to the wheel. Let's see. Here we go. Okay. Third giveaway winner of the day is gonna be bam. 0 edits needed. 0 edits needed. Congratulations. Type something in the chat.
Congrats. Afghan trader needs some accounts with CPI again. We're gonna get one.
Ryan Tatum, you can message me on Instagram at Nick M Trades. However, currently my messaging function is disabled. I don't know why. So maybe You can try, and once it's enabled again, I can respond to you. 0 edits needed. Where you at? Don't see you in the chat. Gonna switch to live chat.
He said, "Let's go."
Okay, just said let's go. Nice. Gotcha. Okay, James. Let's see what you win. Spinning. And lightning funded. Lightning funded. Bam, 50K lightning funded. Congrats. So no need for you to pass an eval because you're already funded with 50K account. Congratulations. All you got to do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure you have a Tradeify account. Like you didn't have to purchase an account, but have an account, like a login associated with that email. Because if you don't, then we won't be able to send you your account, okay? It's gonna take up to 7 days once your account is created. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Congrats, 50K lightning funded coming your way.
Congrats, that's a big win for the last giveaway, at least.
Well, the last of the London stream, but there will be more coming in the New York stream today. As usual. Slimy, what's the difference between the 3 challenges? Well, only growth and select accounts are challenge accounts, or evals in this case. Lightning funded is already funded. So the main difference is growth has no consistency targets during the eval stage, but has a 35% consistency target during the funded stage. Select has 40% consistency in eval stage, but 0% consistency in funded. And lightning funded, you don't have to pass an eval, but your funded account has a 20% consistency. So that's the main difference. There's other things too, but those are the main ones. Anything to add to that, Celine?
No, I think you answered that very accurately. Nothing to add.
All right.
Are you guys really related? Someone just said. No. We're not actually brother and sister.
No, we're not.
Oh, well.
What's the 20% consistency? Basically, simply put, your biggest profit day cannot be more than 20% of your total profit. So, making you an example, if you have $10,000 total profit in the account, your biggest day cannot be more than $2,000, which is 20% of 10,000. Right? Nice. Danny says, I entered at next level with 6 contracts and made 1,100. Let's go, man. Congrats.
Ooh.
With 6 minis? That's ballsy. Depending on how big your account is, but that is ballsy. All right. Well, anyways, it's that time of the day, chat. Put a big fat W in the chat if you liked today's stream. Put a big L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it. If the sibling fights were too much for you to handle. Of course, we will be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time with another New York session stream. I will join in at 9 a.m. and then Miriam will join me at like 9:25, 9:30-ish. And then tomorrow, 7 a.m., London session stream as usual. Celine, any last words for the chat before we leave?
Hold on for dear life for these longs, chat. I'll let you know how this goes, but of course, yes, sucks to take that initial loss. It sucks, but now I'm in a position to cover my loss here. I'm not going to take a loss on this trade now, break even, and it just goes to show the first loss doesn't determine how your day is going to end. If it's red, it doesn't have to end red. So continue to trade, guys. We have New York session ahead of us. Make sure you join the stream, and I'll see you guys 7 a.m. UK tomorrow. Peace out.
Also, somebody said L for legends. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. That's the only L will allow. All right.
See you later, guys. Peace.
Bye.